What are you?
I thought you said we were playing beans this night. Beans for dinner?
Yes.
I'm counting it now. So sit down, come and complete the counting. Sit down, complete the counting. Once it gets to food, your face must change. Take. That one there now is 66. 66. That's what I've counted. Don't exceed 212 oh. When you finish 212, soak it for 2 hours. Beans will swell before you cook it.
212 seats.
It's too much, Abby. Make it 200. 200 is enough. How many will you eat? This cup, this rice now, half cup. I've measured this one, I don't know, 2.5. Then if you count it 2.5, it should remain maybe 10 seed. Use half cup. Then it will remain 1 cup and 10 seed. So yeah, count it 212 oh. I told you my own. If you like, finish the food before I come back. I'm saying it, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Why are you counting 5 as 1? Don't I see 212? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How hard is that? 1 by 1. Count it 1 by 1. Can't let anyone fall. Anyone fall now. Chicken swallow it. Your own bad. You shut one. I'm seeing you. If we go 200, not 12 again. The one that said that is too much.
Am I the only one living with you? Not cooking any food. We all fast today.
Mama, it is. Okay today. It's not.
Stop nonsense. Are you there?
Thank God Auntie is here.
Thank Auntie is here. Who is your mother's sister or your father's sister? Why are you fighting? What are you fighting for?
I was telling her that a spider is an insect and she said it's a mama.
And I said if a spider has leg, then it is a mama. Yes.
So 2 of you are foolish now. You don't know anything. A spider is the two, mama and papa, man and woman. There is female and man.
That's not what we are saying. We have mama and aquatic animal.
Yes.
Come close. You go close to her. Hold her shirt. You too, hold her shirt. Oh yeah, it's your fight. You have to continue it. And someone that has the answer will come. Oh yeah, punch her. When she punch you in your left eye, you punch her back in her face.
You don't know the answer. You don't
punch
know
her back. Punch her back.
It's a mama, you don't know. Okay today.
This auntie does not know anything. Just like you. You bought her itty body.
Oh, you're saying insulting me. You're saying insulting me.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluse kakobase fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani unam.
They're reading already. That's good.
Why are you always late?
That's how to say welcome to your teacher.
I don't know that you cannot handle me very well. Ever since you were employed, you have taught me nothing.
I have taught you nothing. All this saliva that I've been talking since is nothing.
Beatrice, you're finally here.
Yes, I'm
okay.
Okay.
No problem. See, I want you to do me a favor. Teach her very well. And don't leave her until I come back.
Oh, okay.
Even after the lessons, stay with her.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Take care of her.
Yes.
I'll see you. Bye, Mom. Careful.
know you are a very smart girl. You are very smart. I want to ask you a question. Spider, is he a mama or a papa? Spider. Is Spider mama or papa?
Which one is mama or papa? Spider is an insect.
Yes, I know. I wanted to test you to know if everything I've been teaching you, you are hearing it. You understand me? Yeah. Where are you going?
Good morning, teacher.
Hi. Good morning.
Please, I need your help.
Oh, yeah.
What is the meaning of interdenominational?
Oh, international.
Yes.
Oh. Hey. Did you see any two girls fighting here?
No, I did not see them.
Oh, okay. Interdenominational. You know, in is out. Inter will be outer. You go home and think about it. You will see the answer. Just calculate I've told you now. The answer is there in your front. Just in your front. Think of it. Reason it.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Maybe we're sitting very deep.
See?
Now. Just now.
What is Nana? So she's the one you've been telling me about?
Yes.
What? Baby? How could you descend so low? She doesn't know anything at all.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to swallow me, but you want to insult me. Somebody's child is baby. Don't worry. Madam is coming and I will tell her.
Please.
Oh,
Please don't tell.
And the reason why she said I should not leave her when I finish lesson. You want to swallow me? Welcome, man.
Welcome. Thank you very much.
Yes. Welcome.
Hope you're done. Very well, mommy.
She's teaching you well.
She's teaching me very well.
You like her? No problem. Beatrice, thank you very much. You're catching up, right?
Yes, mommy.
I forgot my driver's license, so let me pick it up. I'll be back soon. Take care of her while I come back. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Please don't tell her.
So, you can do marvelous things like this? Huh? The way you just jumped like a cat. No problem. My own is one condition. That is the only condition I will not tell your mother.
What is it?
Whether I teach you well or I don't teach you well, whether you understand or you don't understand, just sit down there and be smiling and be nodding. Let me collect my salary. My salary is the only thing that matters to me now. Did you hear what I told you?
Okay. You can go.
Oh, I can go for the day.
Bye-bye.
So you come back?
No.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? How can one page of this document just vanish? Vanish from the file. Look at it.
Your Highness, would you want me to go to the room and search for it?
Oh, for God's sake, I have searched all over the room. And I've turned the place upside down. There is virtually nothing.
Your Highness, I think I should double the search, sir.
I hope it is not what I am thinking. Because if it is, I will kill her.
Your Highness, kill who? And concerning Bianca, no one has seen or heard from her. I've gone to their house and I was told that they've not seen her in 5 months, Your Highness.
I don't want to talk about her. I want the missing pages of this contract paper. The white man will be coming in 6 days. Why are you standing here looking at me? Go look for the papers.
All right, Your Highness.
Yatili sibani unamakwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yatina sokwanu okoti English yo. Onye nkuzi. Manolo se kako baseli fetele na pupo. Yatili sibaboso. Ifukonye nkuzi osena watika ni mayo. Hanchapo mama yo. Okwifone kuzi yo. Onye nkuzi. Manolo se kako baseli fetele na pupo. Yatili sibaboso.
Did you fast that you want to break the fast? No, I'm asking you, when did you fast that you want to break it? So only you want to finish this 3 fufu for 3 people? Only you? You're an unfortunate person.
Beatrice, please, I'm not in the right mood now.
I've told you before. Cut down on your food so that hair will grow in the middle of your head. It's not good for you. Only you want to finish all this fufu? Are you Goliath? Did you fight David? Even Goliath fought David, and David still beat him with a stone. Can you do this? Do it. No, do it. You cannot. It's food. Food.
Do you know you are too stingy?
Three hot fufu. You want to finish it. This one, half it. If I come back and you don't keep the remaining half.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
Let me start going. Because you know, once you swallow the first wrap, you have enough strength to punch me. Cut down on your food. You see now, you have broken the ground. Can you do this? As you are there now. As you are there. As you are there now. Do like this. Do like this. No, do like this. No, do it. You cannot. It's food. Food. See what you want to swallow.
The sun is hot. Just like that, hold on. Relax, don't worry. One client will soon pass. Just relax. Sure. That's the job for you.
This bike.
Relax.
You must work for me today.
What's wrong with you? What's your problem? You don't know the way to my post office. You've run this village.
Hey, is this bike, eh? I know where you are going to, Oga. Don't be annoyed. It's just that this bike. Don't know
you know where you are going to. We've run here over an hour now. You don't need to my post office.
Sorry, I know where you are going to. Just give me small time.
Where are you going to? Okay, where are you going?
Hey, madam, please, you know you go to the former post office.
Post office is here.
Over there? And we've run here over an hour now.
That's what they do. If you want to go to the post office, you want to go to the market square, they will carry you around this whole village 4 times. So get to a particular place and say your money is 100 naira. You calculate it that you have gone around and you will give them the money.
Madam, why don't you mind your business?
That I'm doing. I'm doing my business. I'm showing him where the village post office is. It's down there. Collect your money from him. Let me show you where the post office is.
Give me your money.
I should give you your money.
I said,
wait now.
I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. Give me my money. Hand to me.
How much will I give?
Give me money. You're stupid. You want to change it? Let me have it.
Oh yeah, leave me.
Give me first.
Leave me
give
first.
Me first.
You give him. Mind your business and give him.
Leave me first.
Listen, I said, give it to me first.
It's complete.
This is nonsense bike.
Let me show you. Let me show you.
Gigantic English, yo. Manolo se kakoba se fetele na popo. Yati lisi baba so. Yati till si banye una makwa no fu onye nkuzi yati na sokwano okoti English yo onye nkuzi manoluze kako base ni fedele na pupo yati lisi baboso ifuko onye nkuzi osena kwati kani mario hanchapu mamario opifone kuzi nuo onye nkuzi manoluze kako base ni fedele na pupo yati lisi baboso yati lisi onye nkuzi yati na super gigantic English yo onye nkuzi manoluze kako base fedele na pupo yati lisi baboso yati lisi banye na makwa nofu onye nkuzi yati na sokwano okoti English yo onye nkuzi manoluze kako.
Hello, ma. No, ma. I'm not a fool. I'm not a foolish person. Yes, ma. No, I'm not stupid, ma. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm on my way now. I'm on the road. Yes, ma. I'm a late comer.
Because of you.
Sorry.
Let's go. Go see.
This way. Let's take this way. Wash. So, this is her plan. This is her plan, right? Okay. All right. This is her plan. Oh. This is her plan. Abby! Where is Abby? Abby!
Your Majesty.
Where is the gate man?
He's bathing at the moment, Your Highness.
And the car keys?
I have him with me, sir.
Fine, open the gate, we're going out.
If this move go forward, I could change my life. Hello? Boss, yes. Okay, if you reach there, just control me. Control me. No problem. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
She's not here yet. Maybe she will not come today. No, now. She has to come. Why will she leave with my books? Huh? She might come later. She had better come.
So where is it?
What are you talking about?
You were the last to touch the contract form from the white people. Where did you hide the page where the signature would be appended? Where is it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I am talking about?
Yes.
You don't. You possibly don't know what I am talking about. You don't. Look, let me warn you. I give you 48 hours to provide that page. Else, I will kill you.
How could you be this careless? You know what has cost paper. Yes, I know I'm the last person that saw that page. But why does he hate me so much? Why does he hate me like this? What are you looking for? Mommy, what are you looking for? Wait. No. Wait now. Looking for a paper. Oh, the British leave here with any book. Yes, she took some books home.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, why would you do that? Mommy.
Ben, jack it up. Hey, Benji, my man.
Hey, I'm very happy today.
Hey, you win jackpot. I'm happy because I know there will be food in the house.
In which house?
In my friend's house. Go in.
It's high time you begin to reason like a normal human being. I have viewed you. I don't say and say you know get hope. You are hopeless. How many times have I told you that this place is not a restaurant?
Well, because I came to ask...
Does this place look like a where they sell food here? Every time food.
Is it because I came to ask you for food? Can't I ask a friend for food? What is wrong with you?
Have you forgotten that inside this house I am also hustling?
Am I not hustling?
Where is Beatrice? Where is that Lincoln food?
Will you please welcome?
I don't want your welcome. Where is Beatrice? Where is that Beatrice? Where is she? Can't you hear again?
Madam, what happened again?
Beatrice left with a book from my house yesterday, and that book contains an important document, and somebody is on my neck in respect of that.
Madam, when she left this morning, she was with some books.
I know that she left some at home, so just go inside and check if you can find that document and bring it to me. Donna, what are you scratching? Did you see it? He's still scratching. Where is the book now?
Madam, she used to lock her box whenever she's going out.
Oh God. Okay. Tell her I'll come back to look for her. So keep scratching.
Who is she?
She's a co-teacher in the neighboring school.
Her co-teacher? Are you sure Beatrice is a teacher? Because that woman looks like someone I've seen somewhere before. She's like a queen.
How can you say a thing like that?
And I don't think Beatrice is teaching anyway.
How can you say a thing like that?
That woman looks like her boss.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Let me go and look for her.
Look for her away. Wait first, wait. What about the food I told you? Somebody is hungry now. Behave.
Edu, Emegeme. Amagama. What is your problem? How many times have I told you that here is not a restaurant? Every time you start looking for food like somebody who is cursed. What is your problem?
Are you not hungry?
Look, this house that you are seeing me here. Now, hustle are the hustle here.
Are we not hustling?
And stop insulting me here.
Are we not hustling?
You are who?
Okay, if you don't want us to talk about the food, let us go and do the yahoo. Let us talk about the yahoo.
Now you are talking now. When we go, come back, we will yahoo.
Where are we going? I hope there's food there. One day they will pay you. One day.
As I was saying, once I buy the former post office, I will turn it into a mini-mart worth millions of naira.
You do not mean...
And I will employ great minds like you to manage it. And I will place you on a fat salary, far worth than what you earn as a teacher.
I work for you.
Good.
I work for you.
Good, I like that. What do you have in that bag?
Books.
Books? Do you have some money at home so I can register you to be my partner? It will be easier for you to work with me.
Yes. I have money at home.
Good money?
Yes.
I'm of the opinion that you go home and bring the money so you can become partner. But please, do not tell anyone it was a fortune.
Minimart?
Yes, Minimart.
Millions of naira?
Yes.
I work there?
Yes.
I'm not telling anyone.
That's good, I like that. Yes, thank you. You can go home now and print the money. I'll wait for you right here. You're back. Don't worry.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluse kakuba se fetele na popo. Biatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Biati na sokwanu okotik English, yo. Manoluse kakuba se fetele na popo.
I have not seen her.
Are you sure something has not happened to her?
Please don't say that again. I am scared already.
Scared over what? You should not be scared. Just go home and wait. She will be back. Maybe she went somewhere she does not want to tell you. Yes. And are you sure you've gone to the Ukudara to check?
I've gone to Ukose. It's not there.
What do we call it? I should not discuss anything with you. Not yet. You went down to the Ukudara. You didn't see her. You didn't see her.
I don't go Ukose. I don't see her. I don't go Ukudara.
Oh, come on.
Boss, how far? Mother don't pay. Look, don't pay.
Kafu, relax. Relax. She went home to get the money. Just relax.
This woman, she's rich. I know her. She has been teaching in that school for many years now.
Really?
Yes, she has the money.
That's good. That's good. Then we should be expecting more money from her. Oh. Good. All the money's in here. Good girl. You are smart. Very smart.
Very smart.
Hey, that's nice. Do you still have other money?
Yes, I have money that I hide.
Oh, you have other money that you hide?
Yes.
And you should go and get it. You see, the more money we have, the more chances of making more money. Are you okay?
Yes.
You got it. So I'm of the opinion you go now and get that one that you hide. Yes. So we'll add it to this.
You can get the more money.
Yeah, the more money. Yes, the one. Be very careful.
Be careful.
Careful. Smooth business. Wow. Smooth business. Boss. Boss.
Boss!
Oh my God.
So this thing is real.
I told you.
So we are going to be rich.
Yes.
I have a suggestion.
What suggestion is it?
Let's leave this place right now. Let's leave.
I will not leave here until I scrape all her money. This is smooth business. Yes.
That is good.
This is business.
Nice.
This is good. No, come on. This is the first hit. This is business. Come on, relax.
Don't. Well, this is good.
This is big money.
Let her bring everything.
More.
I need to make it. Make it big.
See, we are going to make money in this village. So many mugus around.
Edu, yes. Where did you say you saw her?
I saw her closer to that uncompleted building down the road. One huge girl like that, the guy was trying to convince her. Talking to her, she was accepting. I don't like that.
And you didn't do anything?
What do you want me to do? I was coming out from the bush.
Benji?
Follow her.
Follow her to where? Look at how she's walking as if somebody does. What is it?
You took my money.
You're getting it?
My savings. Under the bed.
Saving?
In a blue packet. I took my saving. No. I have to become a millionaire. Minimart. I work there. I have to make money inside the minimart. My money.
Edu, you said it to me.
Now them. For you people. On there. Which savings? Now for your people.
Minimart. No more to change job. Minimart. Fat salary. My money, please. I will kill somebody. I need my money. I will come.
Why you pour me water now? What's the problem? Why you pour on my face water?
Edu, you said it to me.
Said what? You are saying your savings. You want to make money. You want to become a millionaire. You want to enter minimart. You don't want to do teaching again.
My savings? Everybody went to where I'm saving my money, oh.
Beati, you were lucky that Edu came here. If not, those boys would have drowned you and in fact took you off your money.
That man with suit though.
I saw him. One huge girl like that.
Is it Wayo man?
Wayo people.
My money! Yeah, go to my mother at the bed.
Boss.
What?
Are you sure she will still come? It's over an hour she left. Hi.
Whoa. Kafu, this looks like a blown job. It's like this matter don't cast.
Hi. Oh, now. First, let us check this bag. Check what is inside. What do I do? Let us check this bag.
Ha! Fufu.
Pencil. Hey! What is all this now, What is all this? Don't tell me this is another blown job. Hey!
What is the meaning of all this?
Whoa! What is this now?
Biatilisi onye nkuzi Biati na sokwa gigantic English yo onye nkuzi Manoluze kakobaze fetele na popo Biatilisi baboso Biatilisi bani unamakwa nofu onye nkuzi Biati na sokwa no opokotic English yo onye nkuzi Manoluze kakobaze fetele na popo.
What are you doing?
I want to cook the yam.
You want to cook this yam? For who?
Just two of us.
So you want to murder this yam? This yam will go on suicide note. You kill this yam, you murder it. For only you and I. You eat too much.
Why are you treating me as if I'm a slave in this house?
No, I'm advising you.
Too much of food is not good for your rectum. It is still not good for your ozone layer. Because by the time you eat too much, it will metamorphose into economic meltdown. And that economic meltdown, that is why there is no hair on your head. That is why. One, two, cut two from there. That's it. Cut it there.
You are treating me like this because I do not have a job.
Yes, maybe. Cut it from there. Cut it. Like he's cut it. Cut it from there. Cut it. Bless your soul. You cook that one. Yeah? By the time you cook that one, you begin to eat less. Before you know what is happening, to be afro. Where is Beatrice?
Huh?
Where is the Beatrice?
Madam, welcome.
Where is Beatrice? I am giving you 2 hours to provide her. Else I will involve the police to pick you up.
Huh?
Alright, you want me to involve the police?
Huh?
You want me to involve the police? No problem.
don't know where she is. But what did she do?
How can she leave my house with a book that does not belong to her?
Oh.
Odimma?
All this anger is just because of book.
No problem, you're going to hear from me. If it's because of a book, you're going to hear from me. I'm going to involve the police. If I carry on.
Beatrice! Where is she? Beatrice! Beatrice!
Boss!
Yeah?
Boss. Boss.
Yes.
Don't tell me you are trying to run away with this money.
No, how can I run away with me, Don? I am trying to look for a conducive place who can break this treasure and collect the money, they share it.
Conducive place?
Yes.
What happened to this place now? Hey, let us break this thing here. Here is very conducive.
Kafo, listen. I am the boss here. Whatever I say happens.
I know you are the boss. But when it comes to this money, let us just break it. Let us boss this. Wait, boss. Wait. Boss. Wait.
Because you are holding the boss. You are holding the okay,
boss,
leave me alone.
Boss. Let us just break it.
Okay, leave me alone. Leave my coat. Leave my coat.
Oh yeah, leave the box.
Leave my coat.
Leave the box.
Kofi, leave my coat.
Leave the box.
Kofi, leave my coat.
Boss.
Kofi, I brought this idea.
Don't do this to me, oh.
Kofi, leave my coat. I've been going very stubborn.
Boss, it's not like that. But let's just break this box.
Hold on now, hold on. Okay. We'll break it. We'll hold on.
Upstairs or this side? Let's go. Boss, you are wasting time. Are you thinking about it? After you. You are the boss, after you.
Gigantic English, yo. Manolo se kakoba se fedele na popo. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yatina sokwano Gigantic English, yo. Manolo se kakoba se mi fedele na.
Madam, I'm going. Where are you going?
I'm going to Mercy.
Oh, no. A Catholic church?
Catholic church. I will find the priest. 1,000.
No, leave my bag alone. We have to agree to disagree before we embark on this journey and disembark at the point of entry.
Ogono, what are you saying?
I'm saying that we have to agree. I don't want to drag my bag, and then when we get there now, there's a problem. So we have to disjoint and agree on the movement.
I will take you to the priest. Just pay me 1,000 naira. Oh, 1,000.
No. 150.
150.
It's not far, it's just here. Yes, here.
Like it if it is not far. Like, you think I am using your lane to learn the motor? I buy fuel.
No. Don't insult me. Unless something is gigantically wrong with your medulla oblongata.
Aton.
And if something is wrong with it, I'm going to lash your score and reformat your number axis. You for trying to assault a mama.
Are you insulting me? Because you know too much book, eh?
No. It's self-defense. If a policeman stop you and you just tell him, I'm going to gigantically distort your medulla oblongata, I'm going to lash your brain, and I'm going to reform your axis number, they let you go.
They won't collect money from me.
They let you go. It's self-defense. It's this thing I'm telling you now is what I teach people, and I collect money. I get paid for it, but now I'm giving it to you for free.
It's not glamour that I want. It's money. My child and my wife will eat 1,000 naira.
300.
300.
400?
No. 1,000 last.
500.
I had a regular fish.
550. 580.
No, I have 200 to feed. It's not glamour that I will use.
Okay. 600.
Yatilisi onye kuzi. Biatina sokwa gigantic English yo. Onye nkuzi. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Biatili si baboso. Biatili si bani una makwa no.
Seriously, I don't like this one. Just open. Just open what?
Just let's do anyhow. We can open.
Do you have any issue with it? Open it.
Wait, it will open it. Let me open it for you.
Wait, let me.
Let's break it. This one will open it.
Hold on. Give it to me. Give it to me, boy.
Break it.
No, hold on.
Open it, open. Open it. Which one is A? What is this? Huh? Paper.
I am owing Benji 5,000 naira.
Eh?
I am owing the carpenter 2,000 naira.
Hey.
I borrowed 5,000 naira from my madam.
Hey.
Today is just a useless day. Hey.
So, no now, eh? Don't tell me this is another blowjob. So this woman wrote down the names of those that she's owing. Hey! No now. Oh! Eh? So we are the real Mugus here.
You are the Mugu. I'm not the Mugu.
Look at it now. We are the Mugu here. Eh? We are. This
playing us all
this
is.
Hey.
Never.
Whoa. Hey, what is this? Hey. Oh.
Hey. This woman has been playing us all this time.
Officer of the law.
Yes.
Hey, how is work?
Okay, it's fine.
Please remove the roadblock. I'm going to carry my sick mother to the clinic.
Huh? Calm down. Open your boot.
Officer, I am not in the mood to give you my money. Oh. I am a federal convoy. Or is your Blangata jangastically informed? Eh?
What did you say?
You heard
What's
me.
going on here?
You heard me. Is your Blangata jangastically
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh,
Let's use that property.
Come and carry your car, idiot. We'll be here now. Let him come and carry it.
What is this saying? Janga Jungo?
Janga. I don't know.
baby, please manage this money. Yeah? Before Christmas, I'll complete it. Just do your hair, do your makeup, look bit.
Hey, Nico, I'm no longer comfortable with this. If you continue like this, I'll cut off this relationship.
Cut it off. Sugar, you know you don't have conscience. You don't have conscience. You are here giving this chicken your money. Me, your sister, you cannot give me 5 naira. You lied to me that I don't have money. Look at the kind of hair I'm carrying. Yeah. It's not fair.
Ugoma, are you mad? Will you give to me what she's giving me?
Chineke me.
Aya, come on, go home.
Me. Now you're here. Your sister is insulting me, right? Don't worry, we shall see.
Wait, calm down.
Why you're wearing short eyelash? If I give it,
are you
Chineke me, brother.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Benji! Wait. What is after you, Benji?
You can't believe that woman came to my house with the police. Hey!
Are you sure your woman did not steal anything from her?
In fact, that is what I don't know.
And where is Beatrice now?
I don't know. Before I could open my eyes, she has gone with her loads. Huh? What kind of a thing is this?
Benji, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful.
Careful is an understatement. In fact, I am not going back to that house again. You see,
where are you going now?
Benji, I'm not going to that house.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluse kakoba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi.
Kechi, come on, will you stop here? Are you not the one I'm calling? Give me that money. Give me that money now.
Did you give me any money?
Chineke me, you're asking me a question. So you think I don't know that my brother has been spending all his money on you? See, don't just try me this afternoon. Give me that money.
Meaning what? Ugo Maluk, I'm respecting you.
You're respecting me. Who you respect him? No, what am I going to do with your respect? See, don't allow me to just descend on you this afternoon. Give me that money.
Come on, collect now.
Give me that money.
Give me any money.
At your age, you know money.
What is your problem? You don't give me any money. Come on,
give me that money.
Leave this money.
Oh, because you're putting me. Give me that money. Look at
Leave this money. Come on, leave this money. Leave this money. Leave it. Did you give me any money? Leave this money.
I will take this money.
Come on,
take
it. Did you give me anybody to give money?
Mad.
Give it.
At your age, you know money.
Come back.
That textbook that you got mentioned to me. Mom.
Dorothy, whatever is in that book is very important to me. It's very, very important.
Something very important that you can't tell your own daughter. And you even went to call the police for her. Dorothy, what is it?
Dorothy, just let me be. Allow me to think. Just let me think. Just leave me alone.
Auntie, oh yo yo, 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 auntie, don't come back, 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 oh auntie, don't come back, that's when I come back, okay.
Your daughter has taken a reverse turn back home. It means I have arrived.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You are welcome, my daughter.
Gracias, hey! The rain. Gracias.
My daughter.
Mama.
You now speak Oyibo.
Hi, Papa, Mama.
Your father?
Yes.
He's sleeping. He just came back from night vigil.
He's lying in state. Let me go and surprise him with his hug.
Yeah.
Let me go and giggle.
Which one is giggle?
Mama, let me Google in and Google out.
Yes. Oyibo. Hey, go ahead, my daughter.
What do you buy for your boys?
I have a gigantic web package for you. Let me first Gulu in and Gulu out.
Hey! No! Some is heavy. Yeah. Hey!
Hey! This man!
What
is it?
Sorry.
Hey, wait. See me see trouble. These headers, they are always behaving like headers. What is wrong with this man, sir? This driver? Hey, whoa. Hi. He has spoiled my dress. Oh my God. Hi.
Like the father, like the son, like the father, like the son, like the father, like the son, like the father, like the son. Even
Nana, wow. Look at Beati. Beati now speaks big grammar. I think I'll make her my friend before another man does. Beati of yesterday won't be eaty when we're in school. Yeah? Hey, God.
Actually, you came so early today. What happened?
Papa, mother, today is Friday now. It's Friday.
I remember. But why were you talking to yourself and snapping your fingers?
Papa, you can't believe this. Beatrice now, the daughter of Nzelu.
Oh, Beatrice?
Yes.
Okay.
She's back from the city. Papa, Beati is now sound and very educated.
So? What is wrong about that?
Papa, in my wildest dream, I would have never believed that Beati will make it alive. She's now sound, beautiful, educative. Father, Papa, she's everything now.
Actually, tell me something more important. So you mean because Beatrice speaks good English? What if you call that good English, that you were talking to yourself like a madman?
Papa, I don't understand.
Hey, Biko, tell me something else. I was thinking something good is fishy.
I wasn't even talking to you, sir. I'm going to butcher this girl before another man eating yaka there. But no go miss more. Beati.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Auntie, my brethren, you are still here.
Oh, yes.
This is love. Love at the apple. Oh,
Auntie,
this is love.
what do you pray for so that we'll go back to the church?
Patience, my brethren, patience. Asim Guinea.
Patience, my brethren, patience.
Let me now give you treasure. You are the seniors. Ta-da! Thank you.
Auntie Bia, what do you buy for us now? Now book we go chop.
No. Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Yes. There you go.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh, you. There you go. And there you go. Yeah. When you get home, last caveat on these books, and you will be happy. Say thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
This is the best gift, and we appreciate this gift.
We appreciate this.
You are the best.
You are the best.
Go home now.
Thank you, Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Let me go inside there. Something light. Give me something light.
Whatever it is,
I want something light.
Yati na sopa gigantic English yo. Manolo se kako base fete le na popo. Yati lisi baboso. Yati lisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yati na sopa no opokotic English yo.
No, what's after you? My husband. What is it?
My husband? Huh? What is after you? Who is after you?
The priest come here, eh? Huh? Tell them my husband died.
God forbid. I reject it. All the only possible. Hey, my husband is not dead. Imube, you are not dead. Hey. What? Ah! See your face. Hey. What happened to your face?
Iti volleyball.
Oh. Hey. Pick up. Hot water.
Hot water?
Yes, you're miracle. Baby, I'm here. Hey, I don't need any more. Miracle.
Hey.
Get hot water, hot water. Hot water.
Adamu.
I came in later earlier and I rushed up to come and greet you, but you're there lying down comfortably, snoring your life away in the comfort of your matrimony. Yes.
Hey!
I came to...
Adan Zelu. Wait, what is matrimony?
Matrimonial and bed, they are the same thing. Bed means matrimony. And matrimonial means bed. That's why they are used together. They are the same thing. Yes. They are both interwoven. They are the same thing. Yes.
Hey! You have really improved. What happened?
It's practice. Yes. From teacher's practice to teacher's training. From teacher's training, yeah, I became an educational enigma, academic. I'm telling you.
Adan Zelu, I am very proud of you.
Yes, I'm a very staunch academic.
Academician.
Support the thing.
Yes.
Academician can academically. I strive to make it. I strive, yes.
I am very proud of you.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, Mama.
Oh.
Make me a cake.
This is more than a cake. So let me.
Is this for me?
Yes, very soft for you.
This is huge. This is suicidal. This is colossal. Colossal. This is voluptuously voluptuous. This is enormously huge. This is gigantism. Gigantic.
Mama Beatrice, do you understand what your daughter is saying?
No. Yeah. I suffered to prepare this fufu for you. And you're speaking all this grammar for me.
Pardon my French. My French. Mama. This is suicidal. This has to be measured. This is yeah. Oh my goodness, Mama. Oh my God, this is bad. This is too much. It's fufu, it's not cake.
It's the other version of cake, don't worry. Mom, download. Go ahead.
This is magnanimous. Magnanimously, this is enormous, Mama. Embarrassing. This is embarrassing to my person.
What do you mean?
This has to be vamoose. Vamoose.
What does that mean?
I cannot eat it. You see, as much as I hate to hurt your feelings, this is a mass. This is a stadium. This is too much. This is on my aqua.
Maya.
No, sorry. Hey, what have you done? Baby Kimber, look at your face. Who beat you up like this?
They beat me. Hey, Mogodo Yesulo Hichi. They didn't pity me. Until me. Etikam.
Ndo.
Why?
Sorry.
Oh, na pem nisi. Why?
Mana, what did you do? What did you do?
Nothing. Hey, illiteracy. Hey,
Hey. Why you no come me your former?
Why?
Don't you why you made this thing? Sorry. Hey, this sorry.
Why?
Sorry. Where's your car? Where's your car?
I left it there for them. I left it around for my wife. In my next life.
No man will humiliate me like this. I must go to school.
Hi.
You know, my father, okay. My father was a very stupid man. Wow. It's the cause of my predicament. Huh?
Baba.
Don't you see I'm reading book? You people are disturbing me.
Well,
Sorry, Professor. Sorry, but who gave you this book?
I went to Ike's house to see his auntie, and the auntie gave me this book and said, education is power, so I want to be powerful.
that's the spirit.
Be powerful.
Whoever gave you this, gave you life. Listen. From today, in this house, Bobo must not wash plates. He must not clean the house. You must not send Bobo on any island. Allow him to read his book.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yay.
Papa, thank you.
Just
Go back. Papa, are you serious?
Hey.
Are you serious? Mama, that is to say, you gave me meat. Abi?
I'll get you a mermaid. Nyala. Give me vina.
4 types of beans and
Types of beans. Beans. I thought everybody knows of food you will eat. I will buy beans. Sorry. Don't. Mom.
Sorry. Mama. Your neck is swollen. What's that? Sorry.
young ones.
See your eye, you did. I am sorry. Mama, sorry.
Bees, they live in large groups. Bees use waves.
Go back no.
See your eye, you. Sorry.
My mama gola.
Now that this girl is a big girl now, this girl is learned now and very sound. How do I get this girl now? Actually, you're a big boy now. You're a big boy. Relax. Okay, she's here now. Betty, my love. How are you? Oh, Betty, you're looking good. No. I'm not getting it. Okay. Relax. Achebe, come on. Maybe you again. Huh? Okay. Hi. Beauty, how are you? You're looking good. Wow. My love, see. I want to tell you something. Huh? Hi. No. Oh. Okay, this is Beatty. Hi, Beatty. How are you? Wow, you're looking good. Yes, I would love to. I would love to be your friend and You know, it's been a long time. How do I do this thing now? How do I do this? Okay. Piatti, what's up? How are you? Fine, yeah. Oh. Okay, this is Piatti. Wow, Beauty, my love, you're here. What do I offer you? No, not that. You know, it's been a long time that... No, Beauty, wait. Actually, Beauty, see, I still love you. Yes, very much. Can we start from where we stopped? You see, I now have a job in the microfinance.
So... That Beatrice. When will you be going back?
Going back to where, Papa? I have come to support and help with the education system in this village, which is very bad. I'm not going back. I'm here.
Mom. Beatrice, Papa? I am surprised at your turnaround. Because in your school days, you hardly pass.
Nine. Change is constant. It's constant.
Allow me to talk. Beatrice, I remember vividly. In your school days, you hardly pass, and I will move from one teacher to the other, begging them to promote you from this class to the other one.
But don't underrate me. Please don't underestimate me, please. Please. Just told you now that I've gone to the city. I have sold and I have conquered. Bam! I say I'm here to help for the education system here. Papa, please don't want me with my past. Please.
I am
Sopo. Speak more.
It's okay. I am here. I will be watching. I'll be watching.
Don't mind your father. Oh? My daughter. I am very, very, very happy. Oh?
Sopo. Speak more. Yeah. Mom.
You are there. Don't mind your father. Oh? Bobo, you have been reading this book since afternoon. Also, my professor is okay. Come on.
Oh, please, let me read my book.
At least, why are you scaring me? Eh? Are you an enemy of progress? My only hope of having a professor in my house. It is Katia.
My husband. I only.
Now check out Mammy
Cat and dog.
Come on. Leave your. Oh. Go back.
Ask him to come and eat. Nothing more.
But Lisa, ever since I married you in this house, you have been eating food. I have been eating food. Can you lick this thing that is ready? Can you? Don't let me retaliate what they beat me on your body. Big up.
Cat.
Oh, come on, my boss.
Onye boss one.
ETC. Get over ETC.
Daddy.
Baba, I am going to sleep. Don't come and
go.
I will not answer you.
I will give him food.
Papa, let me read aquatic animal.
So aquatic?
Aquatic animal.
Yes, aquatic animal. Aquatic animal that looks like live in water. Example, fish.
Animal run, Animal.
Mom, can you come inside and sleep?
Just leave me alone. Go and sleep. Go ahead, just go. Just go.
No, I've not seen you this worried before. Is there anything you want to share with me?
Like I said earlier, go and sleep. I am fine.
Come, please go inside.
Just go. Go, okay, no problem, I'm coming.
I don't want to get alone.
Give me a few minutes, I'll be with you. Doctor, I sent for you.
Okay.
It's about my husband's condition.
Alright. Are you sure you can do this, madam?
I am optimistic.
Really?
I love my husband. I can do everything for him.
That's good. But does he have a brother who can sacrifice his kidney for him?
Not at all. He's an only son.
That's serious.
I am all he has in this life.
Wow. Okay, good luck then. The operation is tomorrow. So I think all you need to do is just come and sign the consent papers.
I will. Thank you very much.
Alright, madam. God bless you.
Bless you too.
What? What did you just say? You mean you want to donate one of your kidneys to him?
What's your problem? It's my husband we are talking about here. He is my husband.
Just 3 days ago, you donated 1 pound of blood to him. And now you want to donate another kidney to him. This is unbelievable.
Stop! Sought for your opinion. Who asked for your advice?
I'm just saying my mind. As a friend, I have to advise you. You don't need all this.
Shut your mouth. I think you've overstayed your welcome. So just go. Shoo, leave. Go home. When your husband is sick, kill him. Idiot.
My love, I will never forget this. I will never forget what you have done for me. I want to thank you. Thank you very much.
You don't have to thank me. I did what I'm supposed to do. We are one. In marriage, 1 + 1 is equals to 1. And I know you will do more and much more to save me as well. I love you.
I love you too. But all the same, I still have to thank you. Thank you.
God, please heal me. Beg you, please heal me.
Mommy, come, let's go inside.
Hey, what is this now? What is this? What is this? My love. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. See, if you ever accept me back again, I will make you the happiest person on earth. I'm sorry now.
Achebe, are you okay? Is everything alright with you?
Papa, everything is alright. Okay. Everything was alright.
So why are you still awake by this time of the night?
Like the father, like his son. Like the father, like his son. Like the father, like his son. Of why even an make and one like the father, like his son. Of why even one make and one like the father, like his son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman like the father, like his son. A guy man no can born another guy like the father, like his son. Even a mugu can born begin will be like the father.
Where are you going to? Oh, I'm going to find her. I have found the name of her village. It's contained in that application letter. Let me go there and get her.
Turkey, chicken, turtle, snake, crocodile, frog, toad.
Oh, you didn't hear? My ballista at raw. Mama, get give me.
I am thank Papa.
Yeah, now go. You see, I bought bread and mineral for you, so that you will have enough strength to lead. I want you to be a royal.
Thank you, Papa.
You must be a royal. You see those small boys, those police boys that beat me the other day. You will take them to court.
Yes, I'll take them to court. I'll take them to police.
Not just that, you must make sure they take them to prison yard. Oh?
Yes, Papa.
Take.
Oh, you make your father proud.
Yes.
Oh, Mama.
Won't you wash your mouth before you eat that bread?
And how is that concerned you? Eh? Tablet here, oh? Itasiaya. You drink your mineral, oh?
Make sure you take good care of him. Let me go and take if those criminals left my card here. You see, can one, oh?
Come on. Come on. Eh? You will not take your bath. You will not eat. Eh? Yeah, you will not even brush your teeth. I knew that in this book, I did not go to school, but I know something in my brain. That in this book there is every morning, every day, wash your mouth, wash your teeth. Because, matodo, you start smelling. Ngwa, halele, stand up. Ule, stand up, my friend. Ngwa, what's up?
Like a father, like a son. 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 Of why even an make and one like a father, like a son. Of why even one make and like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy like a father, like a son. Even a mugu can born begin we be like a father, like a son. Mbe unatazia fifia na like a father, like a son. Mwaya nene anyanono like a father, like a son. Mbe nele na bosso ni mofia like a father, like a son. Mwaya nene anyanono like a father, like a son. 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 If a nane make a wagame like a father, like a son. Mesia guru me like a father, like a son. Mesia guru me like a father, like a son. Akwaya yemota yemwero like a father, like a son. Kita yemota lilifena like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son.
Why, Aja? What is wrong with your car?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, I don't know. I barely started this car 3 days ago. I don't know what is wrong with it.
Well, when did it start?
Just now. I came from the house.
When start it?
No, we cannot start. It's not even peaking. See, the battery is not even bringing light.
Is the alternator. Is either the alternator or the carburetor.
Why? So what am I going to do in this strange place? How do I get a mechanic?
There is no mechanic in this village.
What?
Not at all, unless you have to go to the township. Huh?
So...
Oh, see, I need to find somebody. The person took something very valuable to me, and if I don't get the person, it will be too late for me. I might get lost.
Who is the person?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. Just let me get the address for you so that I will show you.
Okay. Onye kote go godo ye koterie. Bro no malita nwa anya akwubia na anwu. Ifa na anya anya.
Look at the address.
I can't lead. Is the person from this village?
Oh, sorry. The name of the place is Okimiri.
Okimiri. It's close to my place.
Okay, it's a place far from here.
Yes. What is the person's name?
Nzelwe. Yes, Nzelwe.
I don't know the person. But let us ask question. Let's ask question. No?
Thank you.
That is why I've come. I still love you so much, B.
Chibi, level has changed. Level has changed.
See, I can take care of you now. And I work in the microfinance bank. I can take care of you.
Are you sure? Because looking at you now, I remember when we were kids, when we went to write exam, and you were covering your book so I won't see anything. I ended up submitting an empty sheet.
That was then. I was a boy then. But now, I am a full-grown man.
I'll think about it.
Okay, can I follow you and wait while you think about it?
If you want to, I'll be sleeping. Yes.
Okay, I'll wait. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. I sing.
Oh.
No. Let's go. Sing good, love. For a long time.
Like a father, like a son. 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 If a name make a wagame, like a father, like a son. Messia, Waguru Guru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, Nakuru Guru me. Like a father, like a son.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Auntie Beatrice, the teacher, so I can collect more books.
Did you just say Beatrice?
Yes, ma.
Was she the one that gave you that book?
Yes, ma.
Wanyota, what is going on?
No, please, come and take me to that lady, please. I need to see her. Help me.
I should take you to her.
Yes.
Did she steal from you?
Yes, no, so, listen. She has something very precious to me. I need you to take me to her so that I can collect it from her. Any amount I can pay you.
Stop talking rubbish. Huh? I'm gonna see. Why are you talking like that? I should take you to Beatrice, but I'm gonna see.
Hey, are you shouting on me?
I am shouting at you.
If you shout that again, I'm going to call the police on you.
You will call police for me?
Yes.
For shouting?
Yes.
Hey!
It's an insult.
Because I'm shouting. Oh, shut up. Because I'm shouting. You will call the police.
Just calm down. Why are you not matured enough to help?
I'm not matured. I am not. What kind of insult is that?
Okay, sorry. But please help me talk to your father.
But don't listen to her. Are you a dream killer? A woman that has been teaching my son to become a professor. You want me to take you to her house to arrest her? Enemies of progress.
Are you going to leave me here?
Stay here. Baba, let's go. When your police comes, you people should drive the car and go. Yalla. Baba. Nonsense. Enemies of progress.
What is this now?
Oh, Lord.
This is the house.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Baba, listen to me. You must not bring anybody to this compound. You know why?
No, Papa.
I want you to be the only student that she will be teaching, so that you will become the only professor. Oh, Professor Baba?
Okay, Papa.
Beauty, wanyama. Beauty, omaricha ewo. Sige wini wena chigi sogaga. Chai. Who is that? Who?
Good afternoon.
Who are you and who are you looking for?
My brother, we are here to see the village teacher that just returned from the city.
Oh, you're here to disturb my love.
He is my brother. He wants to see the teacher and thank her.
And that's all?
What do you mean by that's all? We want to see the teacher. One teacher. Are you afraid? We are not kidnappers.
My love is sleeping. You can go and come back later, or if you want, you can wait.
Let us
No. Wait outside. Wait outside, yes. Wait outside, you can.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Of why even an make and one like a father, like a son. Of why even one make and like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy like a father, like a son.
Where is your mother?
Good afternoon. Who are you?
We are from the state check. We are here to see your mother.
She's not at home. Any problem?
That means you have to come with us.
I have to come with you where?
Right now.
Why? Where is your arrest warrant?
Young lady, we don't want to push you. You have to come with us gently.
I don't know who you are.
Move it! Move it!
I can't just come here. It's not more time. You are thinking you can kidnap me. Leave me alone. Ah, put my mom. Put my mom. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What do I call this? Why should I be under this kind of pressure? I hate pressure. I hate pressure. Okay. I know what to do. Hello, DPO. Good afternoon. I have found the name of the village of the girl. I found her village. What? DPO, no. Please don't allow. No. Hey.
Please.
Are you serious?
Wake her up.
Why? I thought I told you people to go and come back later.
No, it's not.
See, I am not going to wake her up. She's resting. She has worked so much and she needs to rest her brain. So you need to leave her alone, let her rest. Please, go and come back later.
Papa, you can go. I will wait.
Hey, Bobo, I will not go. I want to thank her for the book she gave you.
Okay. You will not go. Hey, I know your plan. But your plan will not work. You want to come and disturb my love. See, I will tell her myself that you came to thank her for the book she gave you. I will do that. Just go and come back later.
Papa, you can go and take your taxi before they sleep.
Papa, I will not go.
You will not go, eh? Okay, let me get something. But I don't want to see inside this place. There are dogs here. And too massive. Police dog, Asian, Taka. It's just equal by.
I will have to go. Oh? Don't open it. He said there are dogs there. Oh? Are you hungry?
No.
I'm going to somewhere very important.
Don't worry. Just come and take me home, because see, my daughter is in problem. She's not safe. She's in danger. Any amount I will pay you. Please, I'll pay you. Please, I beg you, take me home.
I'm going to somewhere very important.
No, mine is more important, because I'll pay.
Thank
you. Arrest my daughter for a crime she did not commit. If you think I am guilty of whatever you are accusing me of, why don't you arrest me instead and leave my poor girl alone?
Have you brought the documents I asked you to bring to me? Have you provided them? I promise you, you will die a slow and a painful death if within the next 48 hours you do not provide those documents.
Crying does not solve problem. Eh? You have been crying since, and maybe pancake eater you. Eh? Please take. Clean your face.
Thank you.
Tell me, what exactly are you looking for?
Oga, I brought some white men to buy our land where oil was discovered.
Organ?
Oil.
Oil. Oh, mano?
No, oil.
Oil?
Yes.
As
soon as the first stage of the agreement was signed, husband started misbehaving. I got him with our maid, and when I confronted him, he beat me up and filed for a divorce.
Are you telling me that the great Igbeselu is your husband?
He's my husband. Oh. He sent me and our little girl out of the house. But unfortunately, the white men backed out of the deal. They refused to continue with the contract. But I heard that a few weeks ago they came back. And he couldn't find one of the pages of the contract paper. So he's been threatening me. He's been looking for it. He said he does not want to miss that contract.
Did you live with it?
It's not that I left with it, but when I saw it, he misplaced it. He kept it carelessly. So I picked it up and put it in a book. But one day I saw Beatrice opening the book. Now I can't find the book. It's like Beatrice left with it, so that's why I'm looking for her, so that I can recover the book from her. My husband threatened to kill me if he does not find the book, if he misses the contract. And he knows he's a very mean man. He will do it. He will kill me.
Manager, in that case, we will have to go and look for Beati. Huh?
Do you know where she is?
I can find her.
Call Beatrice. Oh, it's important. Very urgent. Oh.
I should go and wake my love up because of your stupid important nonsense.
Don't say no. Because,
Maka, get it for what now?
No. Call her.
Somebody's life is already at risk.
Meaning?
In fact, I will pay for inconveniences. Yes, I will pay anything I will pay.
Wait. Okay. Just hold on. Stay here. Eh?
Please help me. Dora has been arrested and my life is in danger. Please help me.
Did you bring police to arrest me?
No. I will not. Please, I promise. I will never do such a thing. Listen, there is a page of a paper, a leaflet, inside one of those textbooks you took from my house. Please get me the textbook. If I don't get that paper, I will die. They will kill me.
I'll bring the boxes. They are inside. But please don't arrest me.
I will not arrest you.
Don't arrest me.
Just come bring it. I will pay you for inconveniences. Yes.
Oh, Chebe, come and help me. Please. Let me bring the boxes.
Thank you.
Don't arrest me. Don't arrest me.
Wait here. Come in.
We came together, just let him be. I want to see the king.
Yeah? The king?
Yes.
You that mean not to open this gate, you?
I want to see him.
Okay, quick one, they go outside.
What's going on here?
Hey, don't go out.
I want to see the king.
Your Majesty.
How are you?
Fine. What's going on here?
She wants to force herself into the palace.
I want to see the king.
It's alright. Your Majesty, please. This way.
Thank you very much.
We
came together.
Your Majesty, you have a visitor.
Your Majesty, I have found the missing page of the contract.
Just go and thank your star.
Can I tell the police to release my daughter?
They will release her to you.
Okay. One more thing. I would advise you don't allow them to put a single block on that land without the final signing of the contract.
I did not ask for your advice.
Mom, don't tell me this did not happen. What is going on?
I am sorry. But the battle is over now.
Don't tell me that, Mom. Don't tell me that. Why was the police after you? And I want to believe it has to do with Beatrice.
Dorothy, if you will sit down, calm down, I will explain everything to you. I will tell you as it happened.
Let me be going. Oh, I will come back later for your khaki so that I will take your motor to the mechanic. Oh?
Thank you very much for today.
Don't mention it.
I will reward you someday.
Don't mention it. It's a bad.
Take care.
Okay. One more thing. I would advise you don't allow them to put a single block on that land without the final signing of the contract.
Abby.
Your Majesty.
Go. Tell the white men to vacate that land immediately until further notice.
Yes.
Now.
Your Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
So, why do you say you are here again?
I want you to help me with more books.
More books?
Yes.
You are a good boy. You are a very, very good boy. Yes. You are a very good boy.
Wait, that's that illiterate. What the hell? You are an illiterate.
Okay, follow. You taught me that rubbish English that made police to treat me like a criminal. Eh?
Iti, Baba, she will not teach you again. Oh, stand up, let us go.
Papa, I'm not going with you. I want to stay here and read books.
Shut up! This woman has nothing in her skull. Mba, you are more intelligent than her. You won't teach my son again. Stick does not sharpen iron.
Yeah. Who is stick?
You! Eating potoko! Eating volleyball! I am more intelligent than you. I will come back for you.
Papa, stop now!
By the time I will come back, I will retaliate. Since you have the effrontery to disgrace me. Come on, Come on.
Biati na sopa gigantic English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fedele na popo.
Beatrice, what are these books doing outside? I didn't know your books.
They're my books. I want son to beat it so that the book will rest. Me too, I need to go inside and go and rest.
If you go near Kusi, Osena, what a canny man, Hanchapo Manalio, or before Kusi, Manoluze kakoba se ni fedele na.
Mama Beatrice, pack them up.
Biatilisi Onyekuzi, Biati na sopa gigantic English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fedele na popo. Biatilisi bani una makwa nofu Onyekuzi. Biati na sopa no okotik English yo. Manoluze kakoba se ni fedele na popo. If you go like the father, like the son, like the father, like the son. Yes! Like the father, like the Okwa ife mwane meka na neme like a father, like if a criminal pop begin.
She said yes. She said yes. Oh my God.
A guy man can burn another guy like a father, like even a buku can bump begin.
I'm so happy.
When no Natasha Fifiano like a father, like his son. Why and a like a father, like his son. Nelena boss on him of like a father, like his son. Why and a like a father, like his son. Like a father, like his son. Like a father, like his son. Like a father, like his son.
Come down. I said you should come down.
Nine.
Eh?
What is it?
Patricia.
Papa, what is it?
Papa doesn't want me to learn from Auntie Beatrice.
I will be a stupid man to allow him go back to that house. Eh? There is nothing in that her big head. She has been teaching him rubbish.
Nine, easy, Jirenwayo, my husband. I thought you want him to be a lawyer.
Not anymore. That woman was the woman that taught me that nonsense English that made police people to beat me up the other day. Eh? She's the big illiterate. There's nothing in her brain. Huh? Hey, come back!
Leave this boy! Leave this boy!
You are not going there.
No, wait. Leave him. What is this? Only you, illiterate. Lawyer, no. Artist.
You will not go back there.
Leave myself for me.
Okay, go no if ever. Huh?
My love, you know I cannot live this life without you. I love you so much. Will you marry me?
Only a foolish woman will refuse to marry you.
No. And what in God's name is going on here? No, what is going on here? This is it. No, Achebe, this is it, right?
What? What exactly?
The ring you bought for me is what you want to use and propose to this village woman.
No, it's not what you think. No. How can I do such a thing? It's not possible. I was only rehearsing how to put the ring on your finger when I see you.
Really?
Yes.
Better be a rehearsal then. Put the ring on my finger now.
Wow. Your nail is fine.
Yes.
Very nice.
Put the ring on my finger.
Hold on, let me clean it.
Actually, you're wasting my time.
Oh, sorry. On your finger, right? Wow. It's gonna look nice on your finger.
Chere, you are wasting my time.
Okay. Wow, it's so nice. It's so nice.
Baby.
It's so nice.
I'll marry you.
So nice.
It's
so nice.
Oh, baby.
That dream is not my portion.
Auntie, good evening.
Good afternoon. I hear you.
Auntie, please can you help me do my assignment?
Hey, yeah, go. I told you I want to rest. Can you not say I'm sleeping? I'm sleeping now. Go.
But you told me to come back today.
I did not tell you to come back today. I said I have to go and rest. As you can see, I'm sleeping now. Go.
Auntie, please, no.
What is the question?
Name 2 aquatic animals and name 2 carnivorous animals.
Aqua what?
Aquatic.
Do you know it?
No, that is why I am here.
The teacher does not know anything. Go. There's nothing like that.
But Auntie...
Okay, see me here. Carry me to your school, aquatic. Take me there. I said there's nothing like that. Go and tell the teacher. They don't know anything. Say Zakwa.
Beatilisi Onyekusi, Beatina Sofa gigantic English yo. Manoluse Kakoba se fedele na popo. Beatilisi Baboso. Beatilisi Bani una makwa nofu Onyekusi. Beatina Sofa no Okotic English.
What driver? Who beat you?
Auntie Bia actually doesn't want to teach me.
Is that why you are crying? Ngwa, stand up. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. When you grow up, you will go to school and learn very well. You know you are a smart boy. You will know how to read very well, okay? Now go back to your parents and stop crying.
Thank you,
Be a good boy, okay?
Now
go. Bye.
I think I have to reconcile with my wife. After all, she is still my wife. Abby! Abby!
Your Majesty, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. At last, the contract is signed.
Abby,
Your Majesty.
get the car ready.
Yes, Your Majesty. Is there a problem, Your Majesty?
Do as I ask.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What do you want? What is it again? I have given you the paper. Can I have some peace?
I came to apologize. I am sorry for all that I have done. I ask for your forgiveness.
You don't need to apologize.
I have been restless. I haven't had peace. Please forgive me.
So what do you want?
I want you. I want you back to my life. You are my wife. Please come back.
Your wife? Mom, what is happening here?
He's your father.
You told me that my father is in jail in Brazil.
He's here now.
is your father.
Is this Dora? Are you Dora? My daughter? Are you?
Yes, she is.
My child, come.
Oh.
Please, I regret all my actions and I apologize for them. Forgive me. My love, find a place in your heart. Forgive me. I beg you. Please.
Mom, you're not saying anything. Why did you lie to me?
It's not your mother's fault. It's all my fault. Please forgive her. There you are.
Like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son. Okwa even and make and one like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make and like a father, like if a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman like a father, like a son. A guy man no come born another guy like a father, like even the muku can bump the king will be like a father. Hey, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son. If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a messia,
Oh, Malija, beautiful woman.
Why are you staring at, old man? No, why are you staring at?
Chai! Chineke dalu.
for creating a beautiful goddess like this. You are beautiful.
Excuse you?
In fact, you are the type of woman I want to marry.
This is ridiculous.
No. Chere. Look, I can take care of you.
Oh my God.
Serious, I can take care of you.
Wait. Can I ask you something? What can you possibly offer me? No, what can you offer Bianca?
Moi. Hey! Look, I will sell my only piece of land just to make you happy. I love you. If I don't fall in love with you already.
Now you're talking. Yes. Wait. You're willing to sell your piece of land for my sake?
Yes.
How do you know I love money? No, how do you know I spit money?
Omali Chanwa, it's written all over you. In fact, you ooze money. As I see you, you smell money. Money.
Listen, don't follow me. You know what to do. When you bring the money, you come to me. Do not follow me.
I must marry this woman.
If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman like a father like his son. A guy man no can born another guy like his father like his son.
Sorry, I'll press it for you.
Actually, my leg is not full.
Am I actually pounding in my foot? But it's true. I'm serious. Everyone has sold his shame in the market. You take all from the one, this one they collect from me. I don't know how they're doing it. Are you okay now?
Second leg.
This one?
That one, yes.
Let me use mine.
What are you doing here? You wicked man. Obidigbo, why are you screaming at me? Eh? You are calling me wicked. I'm not a wicked person. No. I only came to... I don't want to see you. I don't want to set my eyes on you. Can't you hear? But at least, instead of just shouting on me, can't you allow me just say something? I don't want to hear you say anything. Don't say anything to me. As you can see, I am going out. But Obidigbo, two of us used to be friends, so we were very close. Hey, you call it friends. Hey. Friends indeed. Yes, I agree. But your betrayal can never be forgotten in a hurry. Hey. I have told you, stay away from me because you are not a good man. You are not to be trusted. I have told you to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Stay away from me. Obidigbo, are you walking away from me? We are friends, so... You give me this money now.
Gazuli gajomowa ganga tora chimumama. Hey.
Good day, Mr. Chibi.
Good day. How may I help you?
We have a letter from the manager.
The manager, but I'm going to the office.
And you may like to read the contents in it. But before that, please sign here.
It's not possible now. How? How? What have I done? Oh. Hey! Hey! Papa! Papa!
Oh, what is it? What is it now?
Papa, calm down first. I've been sacked from my work. Papa, I've been sacked.
Look, if you know what is bothering me now, your sack is very little. I'm telling you, what is bothering me is bigger than your sack.
Papa! Hey! What is this? What is this? What is going on? Oh.
Daisy, how are you?
What are you doing here?
Why are you like this?
Wait. What are you doing here?
You see, I have something very important that you will like. Something very good.
What is it?
Is that the way you're going to? You are too harsh.
What is it now?
Oh. Money.
How much is there?
It's big money. 50,000.
Oh, please. Listen, I've told you to stop stressing yourself. Because it's obvious you can't take care of me. You can't even give me enough money. So why are you following me about? What is it?
Baby, it's 50,000. No. Anyway, don't worry. See, I have more money. Look, I can find more money.
Listen,
I love you. If I marry you, I will.
Can I have the money? Let me have it first.
So, can I come back in the night?
And you come back in the night? With money now? If you must come back in the night, you have to come with money. You can't come to me without money. Yeah. You have to complete this money. This is 50,000. I'll be waiting for the balance.
Like his son, like his father, like his son, like his father, like his son, like his father, like his son. Okwa even na make one like his father, like his son. Okwa even one make like his father, like his son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman like his father, like his son. A guy man no can born another guy like his father, like his son. Even a mugu can born begin will be like.
Look, I must marry this girl. I must marry you. Even if it means selling my soul to the devil. I will sell every property I have to make sure that I marry you.
Like a father, like a son. 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 If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a son. Messia, guru guru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, guru guru me. Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son.
Look at the way this girl is just treating me like a baby. Nothing on this earth will stop me from making this girl my own. I must marry her. Even if it means selling everything I have. Hey. God, the way she just disgraced me. Also, you have to fix this as a man. You know what you want, and you always get it. Yes.
Papa? What is it?
Actually,
Please, I need your help.
You need my help?
Yes.
Okay, how may I help you?
Can you please lend me some money?
Okay, it depends. How much are we talking about here?
Just 100,000 naira.
100,000 naira?
Why are you screaming?
Yeah, no, I'm screaming because you know I have been sacked from my work. I don't have a job now.
Chere, Achebe, you mean since you've been working, you didn't save any money?
Papa, what we are talking about here is that I don't have that kind of amount in my account.
Why now?
You know, I used the money I have to fix the leaking roof, and I sent our sister to the university. And
Enough. Just because of common 100,000 naira, I want you to lend me your accounting. You did this, you bought limousine, you did this.
100,000 naira is not common. It's not common, but anyway, I don't have it.
Go now, go.
I don't have it. If you say it's common, then provide it.
Where is
You're calling 100,000 naira common.
Go now.
If it is common, you provide it. We are common. 100,000 naira.
Yes. Obidigbo, you are the only option now. Obidigbo has to help me with this. Yes.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even ane make one make. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make ane make. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy. Like a father, like a son. Even a mugu can bump begin weeping. Like a father, like a son.
Hello? Hello, young lady? Anyway, I was just passing and I noticed that this young pretty chap needs some help. Yeah, anyway, you look angelic, actually.
Wait a minute. Are you just going to stand there raining praises at me? Without trying to know what the heck is wrong with my car? Like, can't you see I'm stranded?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm about to notice that. I'm so sorry. What is wrong with your car?
What a stupid question. Did you just ask that?
You don't need to sound stupid, okay? You don't need to just sound silly.
Listen, if you want to help, you help. And that is if you know what to do.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on.
Gosh.
Okay. So what's wrong with your car? Huh? What's wrong with your car?
Come on. He's still asking. You want to know, you check. Let's see if you know what you're doing.
Oh. What exactly is wrong with your car?
He's still asking again. He's still asking.
Come on, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just trying to help.
Hello? I don't know.
Ozo, why is your face like that?
Hey, Awolamu. Hey, Zelu, I'm finished. I am finished.
Wait, what is the problem?
My daughter had died. I just got news from my wife's people that she's been hospitalized. Hey!
Ozo, what do we call the sickness?
They say it's kidney failure. Hey, Wani, Biko, I'm going to help you with some money so that I can treat her. Oh, I don't want her to die. Hi.
Ozo, how much are we talking about?
They say it's 300,000 naira.
Wait. Where do you expect me to get such amount of money from?
That money, Biko. Help me look for the money. I will pay you back as soon as I have money. Biko.
Honestly, Ozo, I don't have such amount of money. But I will take you to Bidigbo and see if he can lend us the money.
Chai, Bidigbo, that means you don't want me to get the money. You know Bidigbo does not like me. Once he sees me with you in his house, I won't get the money again. Biko.
It's okay. Wait for me.
Hey, Dalu.
Wait for me.
One Dalu.
So thank you so much for helping out.
It's okay. You're welcome. It's nothing.
So I was wondering, what is a handsome guy like you doing in this village?
You know, struggles of life. Yeah. Actually, I was working in the microfinance bank, but I lost my job last month.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's a past now.
So, how do you cope? I mean, how do you take care of your girlfriend?
Oh, there you go again. If I tell you this, you wouldn't believe it, but the truth is that I don't have a girlfriend.
No, he didn't say that. How?
That's the truth.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Must I have a girlfriend? I know you don't believe it, but that's the truth.
And you said your name is what again?
My name is Achebe, but sometimes my friends call me Ache. You understand?
Ache, baby.
No, not baby. I'm a full grown man. How can you call me baby? Well, it's okay. When do you intend leaving this village? Or how long are you going to stay in this village?
Me? Yeah. Well, I'm actually here for some documentary. Okay. Though I plan doing some photo shoots while I wait for my crew to come down.
Okay.
Yes. What can I offer you? I'm sorry, I know my bad.
I don't know. Normally I love soba a lot. Or if you don't have both soba, I can take kunu or fradonudu.
No. You didn't say that.
No, I stayed in Kano a lot, so I love those things, you know. Do you have them? Or if you don't, never mind. Never mind.
Ozo.
Hey,
take.
Hey.
That is the money.
Hey. Thank you. Don't worry. I will pay you back this money before the end of this month. Hey.
That is good.
You are a good man. You are a good man. I must thank you. The whole village, they know that you are a good man. And you just demonstrated it again. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Please, I want you to run straight. Go and see the doctor. I want them to save the life of Ada. I don't want anything to happen to her.
I'm going right away. Eh? I must thank you, Dalu. Eh? Let me go. Let me be going.
Okay. Ozo, wait. Ozo.
Money.
Ozo. Please. This money that I have given to you is the money I have been saving for my roof. Because I want to change the roof of this house. But I can't keep it. Because the life of Ada is more important to me and you than this roof. Please. Do not fail me.
Zelu, why now? Eh? Why are you this kind? Hey! If only we have up to just 2 of you in this village will turn to London. Hey!
Also,
I can't thank you enough.
it's okay.
Hey.
It's okay.
Dalu.
Now you can go
Hey.
and save the life of Ada. Please. I don't want anything to happen to Ada. Is that okay?
Hey! You're welcome. Thank you very much. Hey, Dalu. Hey!
It's okay.
Hey.
Well, I'm actually expecting a loan from my uncle who is in the UK.
Okay.
Once I get it, I'll help you set up an online business.
I'm gonna appreciate it. For real, I appreciate it.
Who is there? 1 minute, please.
Okay. Are you expecting a visitor?
I'm going to check.
Hey, my baby.
I can't remember inviting you here.
Take it easy now. See, this is not like that time. I came fully prepared. Fully prepared. This is not the issue of 50,000. Wait. This is 300,000 for my baby. Oh, my baby.
You're kidding, right?
Me kidding? Ha. Look, I mean business. Quest means business this time.
Oh my God. I'm beginning to believe you right now.
Yes. Yeah. I mean business.
Wow. 300,000.
Oh yes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Mention it again. So, can we go inside now?
You want to come inside?
Yes.
Come inside.
Yes, no.
Don't worry. I'm going to let you know when to come in. You can go now.
Go.
Thank you.
Like the father, like his son. 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 Of why even none make a one like the father, like of why even one make a none like the father, like if a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman like the father, like.
Today is actually a good day, you know.
For real? Maybe you've been expecting someone.
No, I just got my delivery.
Okay. It's okay. I'll take my leave now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, you know, I won't be able to see you off. I'm very tired and had a hectic day. But I'll sure give you a call. Yeah.
Bye.
See ya.
So. Handsome young man. They say I should dye these beards, but I will not. They like me like that. All these small girls in this community. Hey.
Papa,
it's my handsome.
Did you see any money in this bag?
Yeah? Did you keep any money?
Yes, Papa. I kept 50,000 naira in this bag.
50,000 naira?
Yes.
I didn't see any money.
Then who must have taken it? Who?
Have you asked Beatrice?
Which Beatrice, Papa? Which Beatrice? Is Beatrice living with us in this house? Yeah? Is it not just me and you?
Jerry, Are you by any means accusing me of being a thief?
Papa, I don't know, but I don't know. I kept money in this bag.
Yeah, go and look for it now.
Papa.
I didn't see any money. Ozo, this stupid boy. Yes, I think I'm good to go.
Who's in? Beatrice.
How do you do?
I like the sound of that. How do you do? My brother came back with this.
So it's like the sound. You think I traveled in the... So I like the sound.
Can you help me read and answer this question?
What is there?
I don't know.
Sit down.
Yeah? You want to learn wisdom? Sit down. Sit down.
On the floor.
My head.
Sit it. Is it that you cannot read it?
Calm down now. Give me time, let me even remember it.
I'm sorry. Beatrice, you cannot read it. Now.
Yeah? Did I send you to come and insult me?
No. Don't be angry.
What's the belittle me? What's the embarrass me? What's the underestimate me?
No, now.
Hey, come on. Go, I'm not helping you again. I said go, I'm not helping you again. He said don't have to read it. Tell him. Go.
I should go. Don't be angry.
Gigantic English, Manoluze Kakoba se fedele na popo.
Hey! I'll have just disgraced myself. For myself. By myself. With myself. Eh? Let me go inside. From that useless person will come up, either buy a book or ask me to read letter. I cannot read.
So you're catching phone behind my back. Can you have this?
Oh, thank you.
Mine?
Thank you. Cheers.
Where is my own?
The maid will bring yours. Calm down.
Because she's my wife. She won't serve you. Okay, take a seat.
Thank you, Daddy.
Are you jealous?
No, he's my daddy.
My love. Okay, fine. Tomorrow morning, we'll be heading to Abuja.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy.
We shall be going for a whole week's rest.
Hey, so that means you're going to be treating me like a wife again?
Sure, you're my wife.
Come here. Thank you.
Okay.
I feel so pampered.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Anything yet? See, there's something special I want to show you.
I can't wait.
Okay.
Come.
I'm ready.
Gigantic English, yo.
Awuziri achara. Awuziri chara. Awuziri achara. This boy. What?
Yes.
I know that anytime somebody see signpost like this, there is job opening. What does this one say? What does the signboard say?
New teacher. Our teacher have already traveled, so we need another teacher.
Read it. What does this one say now?
We need new teacher now.
Yes. You don't know what that first word means. So they need new teacher?
Yes.
New teacher?
Yeah.
In this your school?
Yeah. Do you want to come and be a teacher in our school?
When you ask, go back. You're not supposed to be outside by now. Go, I'll see you later. Go back inside school.
Yes, come in.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, yes, I'm here because of the signboard outside. Olari. Olari are...
You mean the authority teacher?
Ma'am, that's it. Because you know I'm a teacher in this village, no publicity. So I said, let me come and share my knowledge with the children. Let me come and help you promote.
That's good of you. Good.
So when do I start?
Don't worry about that. You should start.
Sir, so some people are here concerning the teaching position.
Yeah, for the teaching job. I'm here already. Tell them to go. Just go and tell them to go. That's why I'm here.
Are you a teacher?
Yes. Always teacher, once teacher. Yes, I teach in the city. And if you bring me here now, I'm sure I can even teach better than you.
Okay, but I think we need to excuse us for a bit.
Excuse you.
Just kindly go outside.
Why? Man of the woman like you. Anything you and headmaster want to do it in front of you. I'm a woman like you. Don't do my problem. Don't do my problem.
Miss, can you just excuse us?
I don't excuse yourself because I have come for the work. It's not really my office. I'm from this village.
Please, excuse us. Kindly excuse us.
Kindly allow me to stay, sir. Please. I'm here for the job. Okay. Excuse you. Sorry.
My tummy,
Come here. You're laughing to teacher. Do you have any respect?
The thing that you're wearing is ripping our whole school compound.
What do you mean by that? I'm going to slap you now. Did you not know that I'm your teacher to be, your future teacher? You do not know that respect is reciprocal?
Make sure you're not posted in my classroom, because I will finish you. And if you get me angry, I will go straight to my headmaster office and tell him that you don't know book, that your head is blocked.
You can't say that to anybody. You do not have sense.
My headmaster can't give you this job.
Why?
Until you dress like a modern teacher. He likes fine teacher with fine clothes. Yes.
How?
I need something soft.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluse kakoba se fetele na popo. Gatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Dati na sokwano ọkọtik English yo. Mana oluzie ka akụbazie n'ife dele n'akwụkwọ. Dati lisi gbaba ọsọ. Ifuko onye nkuzi ọsị na aquatic animal yo. Ha ncha bụ mammal yo. Ọ bụ ife ọ na-ekuzi n'uo. Onye nkuzi. Mana oluzie ka akụbazie n'ife dele n'akwụkwọ. Dati lisi gbaba ọsọ. Lisi onye nkuzi. Onye nkuzi. Dati.
Anyway, the headmaster wants to see you. Okay, let's go.
You know this?
Yes. I told you I'm a teacher. I told you I wrote it.
Yes, look at this. What about your CV? I mean your curriculum vitae.
Hi. No vitamin. And even the shop name where they sell medicine, they do not have vitamins.
He means your certificates.
Hi! My colleagues, if you know what rats done to me, if you know what rats have done to me, hey, my fellow women, you're beating me.
We mean something about you, something about your birth, where you were born, in fact, everything, your docile, your profile.
I was born in this village. My date of birth, 1980.
What year?
1980.
When? January, February, March, April, November, when?
My fellow women, my colleagues, help me get this job. I'm coming. Sir.
Miss, what do we do?
But the people that came for the job have all gone, and she's the only one. I think we can work around it. Yes, and well, she's naive, so we can work around it. We can just manage it and employ her from now. We'll give her a little test. If she passes it, then we'll employ her at least from now.
But I'm afraid of her behavior. So I'm not happy.
We can work around it.
I think we suggest we give her a test.
Something little.
Okay.
What is after you? My baptism card. What do you need my prison card for? I did not put it there. The paper I get them at the office. I need it for my birth certificate. I told them 3rd 1980. 3rd November 1980. Hi! November 3rd. Oh, where's gimme. It's in that box close to where your father used to sleep. Oh, which one? The other side where your father used to lie down. That big box. It's inside there. Oh, you see it there. Oh.
Dati na sopa gigantic English yo. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo.
So, let's negotiate on how much you give the headmaster from your salary. So I can convince him to give you the job. 50-50, do you agree? Deal?
Yes, deal.
Okay, good. So you can resume work on Monday. You're welcome. And don't forget to dress well while coming on Monday. Good on shoes.
Shoes are. Trust me, I'll just very proud.
See you on Monday.
Thank you.
Look sharp. It's alright.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Latina super gigantic English yo. Manolu se kakoba se fetele na popo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Latina super no okotik English yo. Manolu se kakoba se fetele na popo.
How are you? Thank God I met you at home. My heart problem has started again. I have come to see you for the money I gave to you to enable me go to the hospital and take treatment.
Hey, sorry for the heart problem. Oh. Sorry. But you see, I have not been able to raise the money. I don't have the money now.
But you asked me to come today.
Oh yes, I asked you to come. But as it is, I have not been able to raise it. Let's look at the end of this week. I should be able to raise it by then.
End of this week? What if I die before then?
You can't die now. Heart problem is not like HIV or cancer. You know, heart problem does not kill like that. Just take it easy, I'll pay you.
Also, is that not money in this envelope you are holding?
Yes, so this is money. But you see, this money belongs to the church council. Father Jude said I should bring the money to him. You see, I just locked my door now. I'm about going to see Father Jude.
What do I do?
Sorry, no. God will help you. You will not die. Let me go and see Father Jude.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even nane make and one name. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one name make and nane. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Like a father, like
My baby. You are just all a woman would dream of in a man.
For real?
Total package.
And I'll always make you
So, this is what you've been doing with my son behind my back after you've collected all my money.
Oh, shut up, old man. You're talking like as if I forced you to give me your money. Did I force you? Yes, you wanted my body and you're using your money to have your way.
Wait, hey!
Yes.
Wait. Bianca! Papa! What is this I just heard? Oh! Hey! Whoa! Hey! This is not true. Chelo? In a limon and my dad Mugu. Wait. You've been eating my father and I Mugu.
I need to get something clear right now. Did I force you both to give me money? No, excuse me. Did I force you both to give me money?
Hey!
No, I need to get that now. I want you two to leave my house.
This is not happening.
Like now, before I call my surgeon boyfriend.
Papa,
You're still here.
You just shut up!
Hold on!
For you, I'm waiting for you at home. You will see.
Hello?
And you this devil.
Abdul!
It's alright.
Abdul! Where are you, please? Some people are creating scene in my house. There's a situation. I need you right now.
Shut up there. What kind of situation is that? In a situation.
Hi. And I've been spending so much on her. And I thought she loved me.
Go be criminal, womanizer go born another womanizer. A guy man no can born another guy man. Even a mugu can born pikin wey be
Old man, what is it? No, what are you doing here?
Let me explain. Please, let me explain. Since yesterday that I set my eyes on you, Makachuku, I've never rested. My life has completely changed. Yes, I'm in love with you.
I thought I made it clear to you yesterday that without money, I will never speak to you. Because I spit money.
I know. Is it no money?
I talk money.
I have money. I have the money. This is money. Money. This is money. Look at it. Take, look at it. I love you. Really.
Old man. My baby. Old man. My baby. Come, let's go inside.
Achibe. So, you conspired with that evil girl to collect money from me and use for yourselves. You will meet me. Achibe. So, you conspired with that evil girl to collect my money from me and spend, two of you. Achibe.
Papa, what happened there was shameful. To think that she played both of us is degrading.
Shameful? Degrading? For me or for you?
Both of us.
Achibe, stay away from that girl.
Papa, I will not do that. I will marry her. And she has agreed to marry me.
You are daring me, right? If you don't stay away from that girl, this house will not contain both of us.
Papa, well, nothing will happen.
I
won't hear me.
Nothing will happen.
Yes.
Let me tell you what will happen. I will kill you and kill myself.
Again.
You are daring me, eh? You are daring me. Wait for me.
Then you see how you kill your only son because of woman. You know the shame. A purely na pants on my body.
Where is he? You say I can't do anything. Hey, I can't do anything. Eh? I can't do anything.
Who? Hey! What is it? What? Who is chasing after you?
He almost shot me.
Who almost shot you?
He almost shot me.
Is that why you want to bring down my door? Who? Did you lock my door? Did you lock the door?
Hey, Chimo.
Colleague. Colleague. Good afternoon. I've been looking for you. My office.
Don't tell me you're just coming by this time.
Let's come.
Besides, what's this you're wearing?
Today is my first day. First day, I have to prepare very well and arrange myself very properly. That's what I did.
That's why you're wearing this. But this is for sports.
No, I told you, I'm coming from the city. I'm bringing city vibe. White and white. And you know they are children. Somebody has to pursue them everywhere. You know. Please, where's my office so I can go and prepare?
Okay, come with me.
Bobo, what's the problem? Why are you crying?
God owed you the question, but my new teacher failed me. 0/10.
She failed you?
Yes.
Let me see. Let me have a look. Go and call her for me.
Gigantic English, yo. Manolo se kakoba se fete
You failed him.
Did I feel you? Did I touch you? Did I push you?
He got answer to your questions correctly and you failed him.
Oh, fail. Fail, fail, fail. You did not get the answer.
Now have a look at this. Have a look at this. Read it. I see. Don't worry, eh? Go back to your class. I'll see to that. Please, please, I need my job. Why not improve? Eh? Now we employed you. Please, try and improve. Please.
Gigantic English, yo. Manolo se kakoba se fete le na popo. Biatilisi bani una makwa nofu.
This is my life safe. Eh? Today my head is correct, tomorrow my head is not correct. I don't know.
I'm sorry for telling the headmaster that I cannot read.
Don't apologize, my dear. This is my life self. Me, I don't understand what kind of life this my life is.
What do you mean?
Do I even know anything I'm saying? This one I said now, you think I understand what I talk?
Don't worry. I'll help you tonight.
And I have an idea. If I carry this one out now, I will move all the big English. Huge, colossal. I remove them. But I do not know how to read long things. Or how to put the word together and then read it out. You understand? I don't know how to talk it.
Don't worry, I'll help you out. Now look at this.
And I tell you, Master, I don't know how to read.
Look at this. What is this?
Tata, you want to teach me how to read now?
What is this?
My chest is on fire.
Here.
Hey.
Did also give you the money?
He said he has no money.
That is what? He said he has no money.
What is what?
What is when you borrow somebody money and you go there to collect it at the point of death and the person is telling you story? That is what? So you just hold on, let me go and collect the money.
Wait. Also is what? But give me water to drink.
Nine. Okay, sit properly, sit. Let me get the water for you, oh? Mama is just telling me now. Why won't he give you your money?
He
said he has no money.
But you cannot hold your money and say he doesn't have money when you know you need it. That's the problem with your father. He's always too kind. Take. Oh, I'm coming. Let me get there. Eh? Where are you going? Mama, I'm coming.
He said the money would be ready by weekend.
Take water. I can't find cup. I just take some. Wait. Yeah, go. Drink. God will keep you alive. Don't worry. Drink more. You left him with your money and you came back here shouting my chest. You think I'm going to use my teeth to send you to the hospital? Eh? Nah. Finish it if you want to finish it.
What is it?
I came to see you.
You are seeing me now. What is it?
My father is sick. So the money that you borrowed from him, I came to collect it so that we can take him to the hospital.
But I've told him before. I don't have the money yet. When I have it, I'll give it to him. As you can see, I'm going for an important meeting.
The money that you borrowed from him.
Oh, my baby! Oh, my baby! Open the door for me. Me, I want to talk to you.
Who is?
My baby, how are you?
Old man. What are you doing here by this time of the night?
Me, how could you do this to me?
Oh my God. You should be on your knees by now, apologizing for the insult you gave me this afternoon. Yes.
You mean I should kneel down?
Wait, are you just pleading without anything?
Okay, it's about the money I promised you, right? I'll go and bring it.
How wicked. No, wait. You came to apologize without money. Okay, you left the money at home and came empty-handed.
I will bring it now.
Now, Aya.
Oh, baby.
Follow the direction.
You mean I should
go? To not come back.
If a criminal pop pikin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman like a father, like his son. A guy man no can born another guy like a father, like his son. Even a mugu can born pikin we be like a father, like his son. When ne unatazia fifia na like a father, like his son. Mwaya nene anya nano like a father, like his son. When ne na boss on him mafia like a father, like his son.
My money! My money! Where's my money? Ajebe! Ajebe is in the house. Took my money. Hey! Beatrice! Yes! So Beatrice! She stole my money! Hey! Beatrice! You see today? Hey! Beatrice! You see today?
I will go back there very soon. And when I go back there, I must collect that money from him. I will go back there.
Where is this thief? Beatrice! Where is my money? Where is my money? I'll shoot you. Where's my money?
Which money are you talking about?
Hey, you pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Where is my money you stole from me? I will shoot you.
Also, what is the problem?
How's this your stupid daughter? She stole my money. Hey,
my daughter is not stupid.
Shut up there, woman. She stole my money. She was the one I left in my house.
I did not steal your money. I did not enter your house. And I did not touch your money. You left and I went after you.
You are still talking. I will kill you.
You cannot kill me. Don't come here and threaten us with a gun.
Also,
oh, stop screaming my name now. What is it?
I came to your house to ask you for my money. You told me you do not have money. How come that my daughter will steal the money you do not have? Also.
Oh, so that was why you sent her to my house to go and steal my money. I not see your trick now. Eh? Beatrice, bring my money now. I will shoot you. Uncle, I will.
No, come and collect money. Come. Why are you running away? Come and collect money. Nonsense.
Why is the heart of man full of evil?
My dear, please, I'm sorry. Oh, I am so sorry. I'm sorry for the way my father talked to you. Oh? See, that's the money.
Oh, you brought the money too.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Come here.
Why are you crying?
Bobo, I'm not crying. I'm just thinking of this my life. This is my life. Very stupid life. This is my life. My father is very sick. I cannot take him to the hospital. Eh? I cannot take him to the hospital.
I'm sorry about that. But I'll see what I can do about it. Yeah? I'm sorry. Don't cry again, yeah?
Just go home now and go and meet your father. And tell your father to return the money my father borrowed you. My father is sick and he's dying. We need the money.
My father borrowed money from your father?
Yes.
Hey, baby.
Borrowed money from my father.
Baby.
Hey.
I came to return your t-shirt you forgot in my house.
Thank you.
See you later.
Yeah, I did
Bye.
well. Thank you.
What did she call you?
Who is she?
What did she call you? Oh, so you are seeing another woman?
What is it itself? What is it? What is itself? What is it? Eh? You expect me to be with you? See, I go for class. Class.
Achebe. Beatrice, you have to
come with me. Your father is dying. Your father is dying. My father, yes. What happened? I don't know.
It's okay. God knows why it happened. Please stop crying. Please, I beg you. Please.
Shoulders with me. He that is unemployed, he wants to compete with me. Okay, we'll see.
Rubbish. Forget this thing. Forget it. Please, I came back to have peace. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? He's dead. Come and take his corpse and eat it. Come and eat it.
Papa, what's she talking about?
It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. You will never be happy. God will never forgive you.
Beatrice, why are you insulting my father?
Ask him. Your father refused to pay back a loan my father gave to him. He refused to pay back the money my father borrowed him for your operation until my father died. Come and eat him. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you.
Papa, what's she talking about? Which money? Which surgery, Papa? Papa, talk to me.
If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another womanizer. A guy man no can born another guy man. Even a mugu.
Ichiozo is not a good man. At all. How could he seize that man's money? Now that the man is dead, what is he going to do?
My sister, my anger is that he used the money to chase Bianca around this village like a puppy.
Hey!
It's so annoying.
You mean he borrowed money from Chinzel just to go and chase a woman?
My sister, I really pity him. Especially his wife. That is the reason why I have vowed never in my life, never to lend anybody, even my best friend, money.
Friends are not it. Best friends my foot.
Let's go. I'm so confused. I was never sick. I never had any surgery. I heard my brother telling my father that he lavished the money on Bianca. I don't understand. Who is Bianca?
Bianca?
Yes.
Oh, so that was the cause of quarrel between him and Achebe yesterday. No wonder.
Who is Bianca?
She's a lady that has been collecting money from men in the name of love. I heard Achebe and Ozo are currently fighting over her.
So, Ozo allowed my father die because of a woman.
because of a woman.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
This is so shameful. I mean, your name is on everyone's lips in this village just because you're fighting over a woman.
Papa is the one trying to snatch my girlfriend from me.
Just stop this. Stop it already. Peaches told me that you were crawling on your knees, begging her when she came back from the city.
Me?
Yes!
How? That's a lie. That's a big lie. How can I be begging that dirty, that's brainless, what I don't know, begging her to be my woman? Or is it possible? That's not possible.
Seriously. I'm ashamed of both of you.
Don't need to be ashamed though. Tell Papa to leave my girl alone for me. That party is a special party for me. So tell him to leave her alone. Eh? Stop what? He knows what I'm talking about.
Young man, so you think I'm old?
Why you do go old? He's very, very old.
No, Mr. Pote. You think I'm old?
You're old. You're not looking number. You go academic baby. Don't forget your number.
I got food.
Papa, leave my Pote alone. Please, go and warn him. Warn him.
Wow.
Please.
Mr. Ede,
Brother.
we have come to say a big thank you. And if you weren't there that day, you would have made a very terrible mistake. Just because you were there to help out, we were saved. I know you're looking for cash to see the amount I came to thank you with. But I've come to give this your beautiful son. Yes, from this level to university level, anywhere in the world.
No.
Thank you.
What have I done to deserve this gesture?
No, thank you. Hey.
No. I don't deserve this. No.
You deserve more.
Oh, it's my pressure.
And much more. Because you're a nice man.
It's my pressure, Hey.
I know.
Hey, Baba, you heard what Roro said. I'm going to say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you, ma.
You don't seem happy. What's the problem?
Yes. My teacher needs money. She needs money to take her father to the hospital. Please, can you take part of that money for my scholarship and help her, please?
Oh, man. You're such a beautiful boy. Where are you from? Is Ede? You have a beautiful son here. You took after your father.
Me.
So kind-hearted.
It's in our blood.
Where is your teacher so that we can go and see her together?
Okay. Roro, thank you very much.
Very good woman.
Thank you,
Lolo.
Bless. Thank you.
Mama, no! Come, don't go! I will not allow it to lie low. Mama, no! Here! My father's death will not go in vain. Mama, no! Peaches, come, okay.
Beatrice Nguzelu, you are under arrest for assaulting Mr. Ozo Mbakwe.
For assaulting Ozo?
Yes.
For assaulting Ozo?
Who is one of these firearms?
My father.
Does he have a license?
My father.
Unlawful possession of firearm. You're under arrest. Go and arrest her.
What is going on here? I asked the question, what is going on here?
He said he wants to arrest me.
Why? What is happening? What is it? Why do you want to arrest her?
I'm asking you, why do you want to arrest her? Nicholas! When did you join the police?
You know him?
Yes, I know him. He's a battle teacher that works on the road there.
Papa, I know him.
You know,
hold him well.
Papa,
Okay, the one for you.
Hold him. You don't hear me? Police. Illegal war. Police. Illegal duty. Police.
Beat him. Beat him well.
Come on.
Okay. Beat him well.
Right. Fake police. Oh.
Okay, the one for me. Okay.
Now, these guys are very mean, oh. Nico, you are in a trouble. You are in a serious trouble.
Okay.
Yeah, you're wicked. Okay, you left me there and ran. Eh? Why?
What do you want me to do? Eh? You want me to remain there so these guys will bounce on me, eh?
Okay.
Did they beat you that much?
Okay. I was so lucky. Eh? That one just allowed me to go. Eh? If not, they would have killed me there. Okay. Let's go to Ichiozo's house and collect our money. Eh?
It is very important.
Let's start going there.
Very, very important.
Okay, let's go.
This everything cannot go in vain.
Let's go. Me and
I have to go and return this.
Let us go.
We are sorry about your father's death.
Thank you.
Sorry, blessed in peace.
My husband and I will take care of the burial expenses. We pay for everything.
God will bless you.
We'll come back on Sunday to see you.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please, can I say something?
Bobo, what do you want to say?
Can I share my scholarship with Auntie Beatrice, the teacher?
Is that what you want?
Yes, ma'am.
Beatrice, it's alright. It is you heard him. You shall enroll in a special adult school. And if you do well, I will send you overseas to further your studies.
Thank you, Majesty. Thank you very much.
Daddy, please, I'm coming.
Just go, Nam.
Let me go. It's alright, don't cry.
Bye-bye, Bye.
I'm glad, sir.
Papa,
what's this?
You're still here drinking. Eh?
Shouldn't I be here? Or you don't want me to drink again?
When you sent fake police to arrest Beatrice.
Fake police?
Yes.
Who told you they are fake police?
Who told me?
Yes.
Don't worry, Papa. Drink. They are coming for you.
Who is coming for me?
Papa, where are you going? Hey, God. Papa, where are you going to? Come back, Papa.
You're lucky. I don't like this story.
Papa, be careful. Papa.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even ane make and one make. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make and make. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy. Like a father, like a son. Even a mugu can born begin we be like a father, like a son.
This village is no longer safe for me at all. Where do I run to? I need to leave immediately.
Like a father, like a son. 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 If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a son. Messia, guru guru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, na guru guru me. Like a father, like a son. Akwaya father, like his son. Nkita ya muta lili fena puta. Like his father, like his son.
Wait, is that not Bianca? Is that not Bianca? Just stop.
Yes, ma. She's the one.
You know she's the one. Your Majesty. Hello, hello? Can you imagine who I just saw now? Yes, it's Bianca. You want to come? Please come. I just saw her now. I saw her in the store. I don't know what she was doing there. She just walked past the car. Okay. Let's go.
Alright, ma.
I'll see you now. What could she be doing here?
I found love. Like a father, like a son. 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 If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a son. Messia, waguru me.
Baby!
What is it? What are you doing here? What are you looking for?
I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what? Can't I have rest again in my house? Now leave.
Why?
I said leave.
What have I done wrong?
Oh, you are still standing.
Like a father, like a son. 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 If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a son. Messia, waguru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, kuru me. Like a father, like a son. Akwaya yemota yemwera dugu. Like a father, like a son. Nkita yemuta lili fena.
So this is the reason he sent for me.
Nemo, you have seen it now. I was like, I can't read. He said, no, he doesn't trust me. He trusts Ada. You are here now.
Hey, go. This is serious.
Very serious.
This is the letter. Go, canon.
I should lead it. But Ichi, I thought your wife can read.
Onye?
Your wife?
Patricia?
Yes.
Patricia beat in Potoko. She went to what is it called? Night school. We have the same blame. Both of us. Lead.
I read.
Lead. You listen. Listen very well.
Okay. He said he will be in Abuja now to stay with the royal family, and from there they will travel to London.
What?
Yes.
London? Elizabeth?
Yes.
London, Elizabeth?
Yes, they will travel to and he will start schooling there.
The boy, Baba?
Hey!
London!
Yes, and one more thing. He said that the royal family has promised, they promised to place you people on salary.
Gigantic English, yo. Manoluse kakoba se fetele na popo. Gatilisi baba so. Gatilisi bani na mama no. Hey!
Mama! Hold on. Oh, just hold on. Yeah! You came with this? Yes. You came with this? Yes. You came with this, my daughter? Hey!
fine as you're seeing me. Hey! Mama Uzugo, no hey! Hey, what? In my house. Bam! You're welcome, my daughter. Have a shake. How are you? Yeah. I'm fine, Mama.
The good news is too much, so I was in a hurry to come here and celebrate with you.
Another one again?
Yes.
You want to get married?
Oh, Mama. No. The king and his wife have planned or have agreed to send me abroad to study.
Hey! You!
Ezioko.
Obodo you go.
I'm telling you.
Let's go inside. Let us go inside.
Okay, well, let me open the gate.
Hey, what?
Mama. Hey!
Which kind of life is this? Eh? Look at all the help I've helped this girl, Beatrice. Where am I going to raise money to marry her now?
Ben, jack it up. Hey! Benji, Dioji. Benji, my God.
Edu, all this your hailing, I don't know where it's coming from. If you have come to eat in my house, there's no food. Let me tell you.
Who said I came here because of food? Your woman was here. You needed to have seen her. With her new car, she's looking fine and wealthy.
Edu, so because of food, you are saying all this. Poverty is a disease.
Of course now.
And if poverty is a disease, you have a lion's share in it.
No, I reject it. It's not me.
So because of food, you are saying all this. So that I will accept. I don't have food. Go home. Go.
Benji, I'm serious. So your woman was here. Beatrice came here.
To come and do what?
Okay. She gave me this envelope to give you. I think I came here for food. This is more than food, I beg.
A check of 1 billion naira. Hey! God has buttered my bread.
Ben, jack it up.
Edu Baba. Edu Baba.
You see her car?
One black. Hey! God has buttered my bread.
God has buttered our bread.
You cannot tell me that you don't have money to give to me after getting me pregnant. It's not possible.
Was I continue giving you money?
Have you ever given me?
Do you know that you finished my bank account?
Which bank account? Poor man like you. Biko, give me money.
I will kill you.
It's me that will kill you. Better go and buy your own coffin.
Let
that thing touch me. No, let that thing touch me.
Just look at how you're disgracing yourselves on the road.
This is what you call it.
Oh, yes, I am that shameless. Tell this your stupid level brother. It is what? Come on, enter road. Enter road. No, you enter road. Enter road.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, Auntie Beatrice.
How's everything?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm fine. Is this your car?
Yes.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Let me give you something.
Really? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Be careful.
I will. Thank you, Ma.
Bye.
Bye, Ma.
You are mad. Yes. This was the kind of life I was living before you came into my life.
Look at your
Shame
mates.
on you.
Your mates dashing money.
Dashing what money?
Leave me alone.
I was dashing money like that before you came and ruined me. Yes, so give me the money.
You are shameless.
Give me my money and I swear. Give me my money.
Let me be now.
What that do now?
Do you know how much I bought this trouser?
Which year you trouser?
Benjo,
I know you don't joke.
You don't joke. Well cooked one.
You know what? By tomorrow, you will come. You will follow me to go and pay Beatrice by advice.
Okay, malaria.
You
should go and drink some Maria drugs. You want to go and pay whose bride price?
Beatrice, of course.
Have you set your eyes on her?
Huh? Meaning what?
Have you seen the kind of car she drives? Do you know the class she is?
What class?
Can you meet up to her class?
What class are you talking about?
You want to go and pay her bride price?
Do you know how much I want now?
How much do you want?
If you change that money, that check, if you change it, do you know how many million that will come out of it?
Who gave you that check? Beatrice gave you that check to help your life. You want to use that same check to go and pay her bride price. Can you afford her? You need to see how she is looking. You know what? You take some money, buy malaria drugs for yourself. Then I read the Okuna should have said, don't just, because I came here, respect yourself. You should have gone take some money, take me out to celebrate. Or in one way, I my own share. I've got 200,000 in them.
Why are you talking as if somebody doesn't have faith? Don't you have faith?
You want to go and pay her bride price? Now, let's go yourself, please.
I must marry her, whether she likes it or not. What class are you talking about? If she's not in the same class with me, I will be in the same university with her. What nonsense. The only thing you know is food. You cannot even reason better. You must marry her.
Like a son, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son. If a man make a wagame, like a father, like a son, Messia, Waguru, like a father, like a son.
He might just be the lucky one. He looks old. He cannot control 100 million now. No, let's help him. Look at him. He looks like a good man.
My son, did I hear you say 100 million naira?
Yes, sir.
100 million naira?
Yes. We have honest business, good business for any honest man in this village.
Yeah. Honest man?
Yes.
Go and ask in this village. My second name is Honesty. I'm very honest though. Hey, 100 million.
Okay, if that is the case, we will give you the deal. You are in for it.
You will?
Yes.
Wait, hold on.
The thing is, you will give us 20,000 naira for the transaction form.
Yes.
Only? Yes, just that. Just 20,000.
20,000
only.
20,000 naira. Hey, that one is no problem now.
Oh.
If you follow me to my house, I can look for it.
You mean you have that money in your house? 20,000.
I can look for it.
You have it.
It's 100 million naira.
You are in for it.
Follow me to my house.
This is good. That's a honest man here. That's good. Let's go. Seriously, this business we're going to introduce to will make you big.
Hey.
This is your house, right?
Yes.
Okay.
My sons. Huh? So, you see, you people will just wait for me here.
Okay.
Let me go and bring the money.
But please do it very fast. Other clients are calling me.
I will bring the money now.
No problem. No problem.
I need my 100 million.
I know you do.
They are coming.
Like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son, like a father, like a son. Why even none make a one like a father, like a son. Why even one make a none like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy like a father, like a son. Even the Muku can bump the king will be like the father, like his son. When no Natasha Fifia not like the father, like his son.
100 million naira.
Hey, I'm a millionaire.
With that kind of money, I will just lock up Achibe and marry Bianca at once. Before I will release him, Bianca would have given me twins. No, triplets. Yes.
agwa ya ịmụta ihe nwere ọdụ like a father like a son nkịta ya amụtalịrị ife na pụta like a father like a son 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 ọkwa ife nna na-eme ka nwa na-eme like a father like a
come. So it's my house this morning. I told you. I said, let us be patient. Wait, someone will soon pass, and he just came. See this elderly man.
He looks like he has the money.
Yes, now they always keep their pension money on their bed, so we're safe in the house. Yes, just imagine 20 cool thousand naira in our pocket. The next 2 days, I'm a big boy. Careful. Thank you. It's my mind. You're welcome.
Hey. Million naira.
Let's be solid.
You see, so this is the money. Okay. This is the money. So when do we start?
This shows that your interest in this business is going to be very, very high.
Yes.
You are in with me, right?
Yes, that's all I think. I even think that we should give him another 100 million naira contract.
Beautiful. That's what I think. You are too good. It's okay.
Yes.
So, let's go now so that I can go and see the goods.
What goods? I don't understand. Come again.
No, the goods now that I am depositing this money for, so I need to see them now.
I know you are confused because of the millions. Listen, we are talking about 100 million naira deal, not goods. Deal.
Yes, deal.
So I won't see the goods that I am paying for.
No, you have to come to the office to fill a form, transaction form for business. That's all. So you come to the office.
Don, let us go. If he's serious, he will come to the office. Let's go.
There. Chere. I am no longer interested.
What?
Yes. I need my money back.
No.
Look, I will shout to.
So you don't want?
I will shout. I don't want. Give my money.
His eye is changing. Come on. Don't. Kill him, oh.
Is that?
Kill him.
So-called wife, money for hair, money for clothing, and for cream. Is that what they want?
So you open your mouth to say I'm not spending on you?
Come, are you mad? Yes. Are you a madman?
So you married a madman?
Are you mad?
Yeah? Do you know how much I spent on you?
Are you a shameless madman?
I gave you 15,000 yesterday.
Shame. What is 15,000?
I gave you 10,000 the other day.
Achebe?
You go.
Did I beg you to marry me?
Did you beg me?
I was on my own.
You were tripping for me.
You came crying.
You were tripping
so
for me.
you know how you and your dad dragged me. You know what happened?
Happened because I said my phone.
Yeah,
now. Leave me alone now.
People come and see this infidel. What cannot take care of his wife.
What is it? What? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Brother, Papa is dead. Yes, Papa is dead, brother.
What?
Brother, Papa is dead. Papa is dead. I don't know. I don't know.
Where is he?
He's at home. Brother, Papa is dead. Papa is dead. Papa is dead, brother.
I'm walking.
Brother, I know. Yala.
What happened?
I don't know. I met him like this. I don't know. Papa. What is it? What
happened?
I don't know. I met him like this. I just met him like this.
Did you see anybody going out of his house?
Yes, I saw two boys.
Hit.
Papa, where you go? Papa, Papa, please don't do this to me. Papa, please don't do this to me. Papa, please don't do this to me. Papa, because stop. Papa,
Papa, tell me the truth. Did they tell you their name?
Can't you see he's not saying anything now? He's not saying anything. He's not moving.
Papa,
Victor, Papa, please, Papa, please. Papa, please now. Papa, please don't do this to me. Papa, wake up. Just wake up. Just talk to me. Talk to Ada. Come give me that.
For what? What's your problem? What is your problem? Stop it!
Like your father.
Stop it!
You must give me that money. I said you must give me that money. Oh, you think I'm not ready for you?
What is your own?
If it's trouble you want, I'll give it to you. Give me that money.
You're going to watch out. Do you know how much I spent on your face?
Did I force you to marry me?
Do you know how much I spent on this shine on your face? The shine.
Did I force you to marry me?
I gave you 30,000.
I was on my own.
Use it to buy shine.
You came to me.
I gave you 80,000.
You remember how you begged?
You
begged.
I gave you 90,000.
You cried.
I gave you 90,000.
You knew.
You knew I'm
expensive.
I'm not standing for you.
So you must pay. She's a fraudster. Arrest her. She's a criminal. That's the lady that defrauded the king now. Arrest her. She's a fraudster.
Let's go.
Go. I don't know him. Why not? My love.
Do you know him? Just go. Let me call our lawyer. Oh? Let me call our lawyer.
I don't know him.
Go. Let's call our lawyer.
You're going to leave me like my love.
Go. Let me call our lawyer. Oh? Okay, hey, what's the lawyer's number?
My love,
don't worry, go.
I don't know who you are.
You don't know. Where is that? Stop, idiot.
Yes, please. Nobody is saying please now. I beg in the name of the Lord, please.
So you think you can hide from me forever?
No. Your Highness, please don't kill me. Oh, please.
Bianca.
Your Highness.
Is this the love you profess to me?
Oh my God. My king. Are you still like this? Would you want me to make something for you?
I don't want anything.
Oh. Well, I brought the divorce papers. Look, I know how you feel.
Nobody knows how I feel.
Trust me, I do. Listen, If you want me to stay behind and do anything for you, my king, I'll do just that.
How did a lawyer like you become such a relationship expert?
Because I'm versatile.
Really?
Yes. You need to come off this mode, you know? Be happy.
Alright. Let's see how far you can go.
My king, I've run the water for you. You can come and shower now. My baby. Why are you still like this? Come on, get off this mood. Please. Like now. That's why you have me around. I want to always make you happy. So, let's take this off.
My dear.
My king.
Since you've been here, my dear, you've made me so happy.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'm glad I did.
It's as if my wife never left at all.
That's so sweet, you know. My king. I promise to make you happy for the rest of my life.
Sure.
Yes.
I know you can. Alright, make me happy again. Here. Take it to the contractor at the site.
How much is it?
3 million. And I will get my driver to accompany you.
No, don't bother yourself. I can go alone. After all, I drive.
Oh, forgot. Really? It's okay. Alright.
So, let me be on my way right now.
Alright. Don't go yet.
Oh, my king. See you.
Expecting you. I'll be waiting.
Good evening, Your Majesty.
Good evening. Contractor, how are you?
Fine, Your Majesty.
Did you get the money I sent to you?
We did not see a lot, sir.
A lot?
Yes, sir.
I didn't transfer money to you. I sent my lawyer to deliver cash to you.
We did not see anybody, Your Majesty.
You did not?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So, what's the meaning of this? Let me see. Excuse me. Her number is switched off.
Your Majesty, we needed to pay the workers today.
I know. You go. I'll get back to you.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Yes, I will.
Abby, where are you? Where are you, Abby?
The lawyer ran away with the money I gave her to give the contractor.
Lawyer? Which lawyer, Your Highness?
Bianca, of course.
Oh my God! Your Highness, she's not a lawyer. She's the secretary to late barrister Emenike. Oh God! Your Highness, she has succeeded in playing on your intelligence.
So, why didn't you tell me all this while?
Your Highness, I thought you knew.
Please.
Where is my money?
The money?
Answer him, where is the money?
You mean the money?
Shut up. Where is my money? Where is my money and my car?
No. I did not think like that, sir. I will explain. Something happened because... Oh, please, I'm begging because no...
Your thought was that you could hide away from me?
No.
Was that?
I can't explain. It's not what you think.
Detective.
I'm at your service. Let's go.
Take this thing away.
Ernest, please now, please. Stand up. Because I'm please now, Your Highness. Your Highness.
Straight to the station.
Your Highness, please.
Will you stand up?
Please now, Your Highness, please now.
Stand up, my friend. Stand up.
Your Highness, because
This way.
Latina super gigantic English yo. Manolo se kakoba se fedele na popo. Yatilisi baba so. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Latina super no okotik English yo. Manolo se kakoba se ni fedele na popo. Yatilisi baba so. Ifukonye nkuzi. Osena watikani malio, hanchapu mamalio, opifone kuzinuo, manoluze kako baseni fedele na pupo, yatilisi baboso, yatilisi onye kuzi, yatina super gigantic English yo, manoluze kako baseni fedele na pupo. Yatilisi baboso. Yatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Yatina sokwano okotik English yo. Manoluze kako baseni fedele na pupo. Yatilisi baboso. Ifukonye nkuzi osena watikani malio. Hanchapu